Hey everybody. I'd like to take a quick minute to talk about crypto IRAs. I personally recommend iTrustCapital. When you sign up for an IRA with iTrustCapital, you get to be able to trade 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, just like anywhere else. They got a wide variety of crypto to pick from Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, to Polkadot, and even Doge, and they're adding stuff all the time. The best benefit about an IRA is that you don't have to pay capital gains tax. And trust me, I don't like to pay taxes as it is. So I'm always looking for a break when I can find one. It's easy to set up. There's only a couple steps. There's no hidden fees. Everything's transparent. And you can even transfer your 401k or IRA that you have today. You sign up with the link in the description and you get 1 month free.
Hey, 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 what's up, Green? Let's go, Diamond, Jeremy, hey. Let's go, Shiba, Crypto Man. Let's go, Shiba. Mm, mm, mm. Luke was, the commercial. EVG, the EV is a new wave. Let's go, Raymond. Buenos dias. ¿Cómo estás? Hola, hola, Nisi, hola, hola. Happy Tuesday to you as well, Rob. Hello. Having a great morning. Let's go green. La la la. Camping. Can I enter the sheep giveaway camping? Yeah. If you're in the States, yeah. Brian, good morning. Good morning, guys. Um, good morning, Justin. And her traits. Good morning, guys. Doug, good morning. La 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 la. Who else is here? Just chilling. Number one. Number one, just chilling. Number one. Yeah. Seems like people are there's not a people are slacking. People are just sleeping in today. Uh where's the rest of the people? B, good day familia. Good day, good morning. Good morning, Beth. Good morning, Deepak. Let's go. Doing a giveaway for Doge, Ethereum, and BTC apparently. Yeah, that's old news. That's old news. They were giving that stuff away quite a bit ago. They've been doing that for a while. He entered at 45 cents. Interesting. Interesting, guys. Uh, uh, let's see here. What is this looking like here? STC again. We talked about STC already. Right. These guys missed earnings. PPSI guys, again, be very careful with these names, right? These names that are running, 200% in a single day. Be very careful because the next day is down 22%, 20% or whatever. Be very careful there. Um, Easy fill. I'm just looking at the losers list. TripAdvisor. Interesting. Interesting there. 24%. Hmm. Vino? Okay, cool. Cool. Just wanted to take a quick look at the losers list here. Then we can take a look at the gainers here, right? And just go through that. Once we're ready, political cartoons. Let's get this money. Let's get it. To be ordered by from wow 1 billion from who? It's the order from wow like from Merck, but who's it coming from? Who's the order coming from? I'll take a look at MRK there. Interesting. ZG Lissy is a company that is recycling batteries to make new batteries. If anyone is interested, okay. Thank you for sharing. Let's go, Mr. Will. Good morning, Dustin. From the wow. Really? Oh no. Let me take a look here. MRK. It's not even moving that much. That's the thing. Like it's not moving at all. Like the stock itself isn't following that news. That's huge. That's huge, and it's not even moving. So it really interesting there. That's yeah, like it's huge, but MRK doesn't seem like it's following the news here. Not at all. La la la. Hey guys, don't forget to smash that like if you haven't. Smash that like. Oh yeah, I see it now. The U.S. government to buy 1 billion more worth of Merck's COVID pill. Wow, 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 wow. That's huge. I hit the like. Yeah, hit the like. Hit the like. Robinhood shorting Doge. Steven, where are you getting that rubbish from? Where are you getting that rubbish from? Hmm. I don't even see that on like the big sites. Like a green MLK. Yeah, we have a lot of time, guys. Right, so market opens in over 30 minutes here, so we have some time to go over some stuff. Maybe that news is just coming out. US to pay 1 billion. Okay, there we go. November the 9th. Right. Interesting. Interesting here. One second. Interesting. Good morning, Nas. Good morning. Did you see yeah, LAZR? Yeah. Luminar? Yeah. Good morning, Joshua. Roger. I hope today's the day sheep goes to 60. We'll see. Right. Leona, good morning. What's gonna have a better day? Humberto, Laser or Nvidia? I mean, Laser is having a good day, but can you bet against Nvidia though? Is the question. Nvidia has been an absolute monster for the last few weeks here. So, but good news, it's not moving. I know, honestly, Green. That's what I'm saying, right? There has to be someone that's against that play there. Why is it not moving? Like all the good news, how come nothing's still below $100? Good morning, Julie. Carrie. Good morning. There you go, Roger. The but small retrace, yeah. So seems like people are still sleeping in. People are sleeping in, guys. There's not a whole lot to talk about, so people are sleeping in. But so again, let's move on here to pre-market movers, guys. So I'm just gonna quickly refresh this list to make sure nothing's really changed here. Nope, not really. So DVD. Right. So again, that volume is slowly coming in. They're not quite over a million yet, but the volume is slowly coming in. So we can watch this today, right? We can take a look at the charts and see what this has in store. Again, just under a million here in volume, 57% up this morning, right? So Dover Motorsports, right? So if you're wondering why these guys are moving up this morning, it's because, right, this again, so Motorsport shares are trading higher after Speedway Motorsport announced it will acquire the company for $3.61 per share, right? So in cash. They're like, here's your cash. Bye, bye, bye. Get off the market, right? So, yeah, these guys are getting acquired for $3.61 per share. I mean, they're basically sitting there. So, I mean, like, how much can we really benefit from this here? Not sure anymore, right? So, not really sure here. Um, so we might have to, just keep it very close on this one. But I don't think we're really gonna, like this thing might be done here. Most likely is done. Don't know if there's really benefits. Yeah, let's see here. Uh, Yeah, that thing is. I feel like that thing is done. It's not really gonna watch that. So yeah. So number two on the list here, guys, Luminous Technologies up almost 40% here with 11.6 million in volume. You guys are talking about this one already. So again, whatever there, right? So Luminous Technology here, right? So again, up almost 40%. Why? Because again, the shares are trading higher after the company announced its later solution has been selected to be part of the sensor suite in NVIDIA Drive autonomous vehicle reference platform, right? So yeah, they're working with NVIDIA. So someone was asking NVIDIA or LAZR, or Luminar. Well, we'll find out. Right. So yeah, very good news, right? Good news. So let's move on to number three on the list. EVGO, guys. EVGO. I remember this one was talked about quite a bit yesterday. So they're up 35% this morning, 60 million in volume. So volume is really good as well. So let me click on it there. So EVGO shares are trading higher after the company and General Motors announced an expansion of their fast charging infrastructure build out collaboration currently on the way across the US. There you go, right? EVGO expands partnership to support high volume rideshare drivers. Um, terms not disclosed yet. Okay, interesting. Actually, that's really interesting. There, yeah. Don't see anything in like in terms of like terms that these guys are working with, which is fine. But so laser, I feel like that's going to be a focus here today. EVGO, that's going to be something to keep a close eye on as well. Roblox, guys, these guys had earnings last night, right? These guys had earnings last night, and they're doing really well this morning. Look at this. Look at this with some pre-market volume gainer here, guys. Naked Brands, guys. Naked Brands shares are trading high after the company announced it entered into a definitive agreement under which Naked will acquire the outstanding stock in three entities comprising Centro Automotive Group. Naked Brands filing shows registration with 300 million. Oh wow, okay, 300 million stock offering. There's a lot of detail to Naked Brands here today, and it will acquire the outstanding stock in us. So they're doing an acquisition. Also, they're raising some money. 300 million common stock offering via Maxim Group. Interesting here. So yeah, we can keep it close on Naked Brands here. What about Naked Brands, Shonak? Yeah, we'll take a look at the charts. Good morning, Beer. Maybe I missed it. Why is Naked Brands up? Yeah, again, so Naked Brands has some news, right? So maybe I can share this page here with you guys actually. Where's my page here for Naked? Copy. So we don't need this anymore, anyways. Don't think there's anything else on here that I want to be paying attention to right now. We can take a look at kind and stuff like that. Um, it's yeah. So an ATR again. ATR had earnings last night, so they're moving well this morning to that. And then what else? What BTB, right? Again, Cano, right? So some of these Bitcoin mining stocks are gonna do really well as well today, right? So we'll take a look. So let's move on here. So I know you guys asked about Naked Brands here. So Naked Brands, right? So there's some stuff about Naked Brands here, right? Again, Naked Brands team, right? Naked Brands shares are trading high after the company announced it entered into a definitive agreement with, they're acquiring the outstanding stock of Central Automotive Group, right? They're also raising some money, right? Filing shows for 200 million common stock offering via Maxim Group here. So is there anything else here? Not that I'm aware of here. So yeah, I mean, I want to see the details of that's again. So sure, like Naked Brands, that's good for short term, but this can't be good. Like this cannot be good for like shareholder value, right? First things first, you're adding 300 million shares to the float, and you're raising money, right? So you're most likely adding some more to that as well. That's not exactly a good thing, right? So if that's a long term investment for you, you're gonna have to keep a very close eye on that thing there, like a very close eye, because that's not the best. That's not the best. So 300 million, yeah. Bitcoin gonna hit 70K today. Wow, that's our dog. Like that thing is done well. Patty, good morning. Good morning. Let's move on to the charts here, guys. So let's move on here to the charts of the trading view here. So yeah, I was just looking at Merck here. I was just looking at Merck, and this one's interesting. So US to pay 1 billion for 1.4 million more courses of Merck's COVID-19 pill. That's a huge order. That's a huge order. And my surprise is why like 1 point whatever billion order, and these guys are only up like 67 cents here. Like what's going on? What is going on there? Right. So it's really interesting actually. Like really really interesting. But let's move on though. So EVGO here, guys, one of those pre-market moves that we want to keep a close eye on here today. EVGO. So again, we talked about this yesterday, right? And these guys are gap again 1750 right now. Yeah, that's a huge gap up. So again, obviously, what happens when the market opens is we want to give this thing a few minutes yet. Again, let people take their profits. That's cool. That's fine, right? People take their profits. What's that? People take their profits and they get out. Depends. Some random email. There you go. So people take their profits. We retrace a little bit, right, and then we go from there. So when do they have earnings here? November the 10th. That's tomorrow actually. So they have earnings tomorrow. Wow. Okay, that's really interesting actually. So yeah, we'll see. We'll see here. So, this thing might be nice if it keeps pumping, going to earnings there. Might be some nice puts. They missed their earnings there. Not quite sure what happened there, but nothing happened. Not quite sure what happened here. Nice little pump there. I'm just going back here to see the last few earnings, guys. So, okay, that's the SPAC stuff. But they missed their last earnings here, right? They missed their last earnings, so this is going to be really interesting here going to the 10th. So just be aware of that and just be careful, right, as we go into that. So, uh, let's go, Peter. Good morning. Naked is 5 year old, 5 years old for you. Okay. For 10 days, otherwise they're listed, right? Yeah. So you have to go take a look at those filings. Not quite. I'm sure there's a timeline, like not just 10 days. Like there's a timeline before you get those 10 days. All right, for naked brands there. So yeah, there you go. There you go. Good morning, Josh. How are you? Bonjour. Jeremy, bonjour. Comment ça va? Fidel, bonjour. Comment ça va? Hola. What's up, Pop? Is the next Sava? You've been saying that for the last month, though. Ariana, Pop Squash. You've been saying that for the last month. You've been saying AQST is the next Shiba, is the next OCGN, is the next now is the next Sava. Between now and April, okay. Now and April, that's a long time away, though, right? That's a long time away. So yeah, they have a lot of time. I'm sure they could just do a split. If they can raise 300 million like that, they can do a split. So can you do the same thing for VLTA? Justin, do the same of what? VLTA looks good. It looks very good. Again, when we mentioned VLTA, that thing was $7, right? So it's had a very nice run, and it's also an EV place. Again, EV, HUDs. HUDs. Good morning, Latosha. Good morning, Rav. Good morning, Juana. Good morning. In Discord about $2 ago. With entry on there you go. Come on, guys. Yeah. There you go. Discord killing it, guys. Killing it. Right? ATR running. Mentioned $2 ago. VLTA sitting at $12 now. Josh mentioned at $7. Right. So again, a lot of these plays are mentioned already in Discord. So it's always like, oh my goodness, like we're pumping. Where is this pump coming from? Yeah, not always the case. So there you go. If you're not a member yet, come join us in Discord. Right. I know what Virus is gonna do. Virus is gonna share the membership link there with you guys. There he is. I'm doing well, Shiba Inu dude. How are you? How are you? So let's move on here. So what am I taking a look at here? Okay, I need to close that out. So there we go. So what else was on that list, guys? Let me close out a few tabs here before we move on. I know we've covered a whole bunch of pre-market stuff here again. So Luminar, LAZR would be the next one we take a look at. Again, these guys are gapping up this morning because they have that news with Nvidia there, right? These guys have they're working with Nvidia here. So let me see if this shows up here. So pre-market gainers here after the company later system has been selected by Nvidia Drive Hyperion autonomous vehicle reference platform, right? So yeah, they're looking good, right? And Naked Brands, we talked about this already, increased 32% on a deal to acquire Central Automotive Group, right? And they were just going to ignore the first one here, right? DVD, they're getting acquired for $3.61 per share. Yeah, it's too late for that. So, yeah, they're just getting acquired. There's not a whole lot we can say there. So again, LAZR here, guys. This one was talked about yesterday here as well. This is a huge gap up. Like it's a huge gap up here. If you're not in already, as the market opens in like less than 30-20 minutes here, my recommendation would just be to wait. Right, we're opening up to like we're pushing to 25. Like 25 is going to be a key resistance level there. I honestly would just be waiting for this thing to people to take profits, and then it retraces a little bit, and then you can potentially look for an entry, right? Because yeah, you're asking for trouble when you're buying stuff that's up this much, right? So just be patient with it. So there you go. Let's take a look at ATER here. ATR again. So ATR bouncing up nicely. Well, it's gone already though, right? So again, look at that. ATR like bouncing nicely off its support level here, right? Like very nicely off its support level here, and it's gone, right? It's again, it's not really gone, but it's sitting just below that previous level. Again, the next level of resistance, which is the 840 here. So again, bounce off support, nice bounce there, right? It's always nice when you go into earnings with things that are selling off into earnings, right? Again, all the negative news getting priced in, right? So all you have to do is just be average. All you have to do is just not screw up, and you like your stock is going to go up, right? Because all the bad news is priced in already. And here we are, right? Again, you can see, well, this is where we're looking to open up, just below that resistance line right there. So we can keep a close eye on ATR here once the market opens. Let me see if I can fix some stuff here. Wow, guys, not even 100 likes. Smash a like, guys, if you haven't already. Smash a like if you haven't already, and let's keep going. So naked here. I'm just seeing if I can add something else to the list here. La la la. There you go. Yeah, smash a like, smash a like. So good morning. Can I take ORGN? Or political? You mean OCGN or something else? What do you think about right? Yesterday when it was $33 Shiba Inu, dude. I know. A lot of people are procrastinating on the on the crypto names, on the Bitcoin mining names, right? So I can take a look at Riot Dome. So we have a lot of time still. Um, Amiriza, did you sign up for the Discord level, Amiriza? What level did you sign up for? Let me know if you can find a link for some reason, Amiriza. Right, my guy from the from Dubai. So just send me an email. Send me an email at the top of the screen there, and I'll send you an invite to join us in Discord. So what did I miss about ATR? Nas, they just had earnings. That's it. Yeah, right. Don't chase. Yeah. ORGN, right? Okay. Political. Okay, sounds good. Sounds good. We can take a look at GE actually, Josh, because I know Josh wants to talk about it. Let me see here. Is it working for me? So I don't know if you guys have heard again. GE is splitting into three companies. Interesting. Interesting. So let me quickly get rid of this here. So again, GE is splitting into three companies, right? So again, according to these guys, the reasoning for that is, let me see here. I just want to find those quotes because I've gone through this like these articles already. So GE Electric, the industrial conglomerate founded by Thomas Edison in 1892, is breaking up. GE announced plans Tuesday to split into three separate companies, right? GE will become separate publicly traded companies for its aviation, healthcare, and energy businesses. The company said it hopes to spin off the healthcare business to shareholders in early 2023, right? And the separation of its renewable energy and power business will occur in 2024. So this isn't really happening right away, right? But this might create a lot of value for GE right now. So we can take a look at the GE chart and see how that's performing, see how that's affecting the market. Because again, this news, this reaction, right? The reaction is always right. I like to pay attention to reaction better than the news, right? It doesn't matter what the news says, right? Well, for the most part, sometimes you can overreact to some rubbish news. So, but with news like this, the reaction is really important because if people are really optimistic about this, then that's a good sign. Then we can take a look at the stock very closely, right? So again, shares of GE surged as much as 17% in pre-market trading on the news before retreating to about 6% gains on an hour before market open. Well, not open yet. An hour before the market open. Okay, cool. The stock was already up more than 25% in 2021 before the spin-off announcement, right? So you get quote here from the CEO, guys. This is the last thing I'm gonna read here. So by creating three industry leading global public companies, each can benefit from greater focus, right? Tailored capital allocation and strategic flexibility to drive long-term growth and value for the customers, investors, and employees. So cool, right? So let's move on here. I want to take a look at GE and see what that chart looks like now. So GE here. GE, guys. So again, they're gapping up a little bit here to resistance though, right? So it's like it's really nothing special here yet. So I think I know why that's the case, because the float might be absolute rubbish. So again, GE guys, sure, like this is cool. Let me take a look at this though. So yeah, look, like it's a 1 billion, it's a 1 billion float though, right? So that takes a lot of volume. When you have volume like 5 million coming in for 1 billion float, is like, oh, okay, like what do you really want to do here? Do you want to what are you gonna do? You're gonna pump it up, what, 2 cents? Right? No, but again, so we're gonna keep an eye out for this level here, this 115 level. So if we start breaking above this level, maybe just maybe it's ready to to do some things like AMD and Nvidia here. But right, so again, just I won't get too excited here yet until we, because we're sitting just below resistance and we failed at this level twice already, right? This is March the 5th, right? We tested this level 2 times, failed, right? This is all the way here on May the 27th, right? That's 1, 2, 3, 4, hitting that same level and backing off, right? So I'd be a little bit careful there, right? So we've also struggled at that level in the past, right? So I'm gonna keep a close eye on that 115 level there, and then we can go from there. Good morning, guys. Good morning, Star. Mm, uh, and drop before the earnings. There you go. Any advice for an entry on PPSI, Roger? I'll take a look. I can take a look. I can take a look. How much time do we have here? Okay, we have time. We have time. We have time. Time. Uh, Maurice says naked brands. What about naked brands, guys? Right. So we've covered naked brands already. So if you have any questions, please clarify those questions now, and then I can always take a look again. Again, naked brands has some news. Right, and they're also raising some money. They're doing an acquisition and also raising some money, right? So basically, what you're looking for is that $1 level for, right. So their earnings report out tomorrow. Okay, what does that take us symbol? Innoviz. Uh, INVZ. And okay, let me take a look. Innoviz here. Earnings tomorrow. Yeah, these guys announced earnings tomorrow on November the 10th here. Not quite sure what these guys do, anyways. Oh wow, they're gapping up 21% here. So that's tough now, right? So this isn't even about their, unless there's some type of news here. If there is, then this is tricky, because why are they coming up with news day before earnings is a question. It's just loading here, guys. My news feed is just loading here. November the 30th, I don't see anything here. So it's really interesting here how this thing is gapped 21% a day before earnings. Huh. Like, does someone know something about what's coming out tomorrow? I have no idea, right? This seems like this thing found support in this range here, right? Found support around this range here, around like around like 470 here, and it's gapping up about $1 this morning, so it looks fine here, right? It looks fine. He's breaking above the downtrend here, seems like, right? Yeah. So honestly, just wait for the market to open and see where it settles at, then go from there. Let's go, Brian. You're supposed to have earnings, have something going with Nvidia. Oh wow, okay, sounds good. So VLTA here, I know it's quite a few of you guys are still in this one again. So this one's done really well, right? This one was picked up around this level here, right? And it's done really well. Where's resistance? $13. That's where your next level of resistance is, right? I think we had 12 and then 13. Yeah. So yeah, watch for $13 and next. That's our previous top right there, right? So this is the last like fail level here at 13. So I'm gonna put a line right there as well. So yeah, around $13. That's your next level of resistance for VLTA. Suppose NVIDIA Drive platform. Okay, supposed to be educated. Oh, okay. NVIDIA. Yeah, I'm not surprised that thing is running. Why? Because we've just seen what is it called? LAZR, right? Perform really well because of their because of their partnership with NVIDIA, right? So yeah, with that INVZ there being rumored with NVIDIA, I'm not surprised that thing is moving. What's up, Melaine? How are you? Good morning, guys. A new egg, sorry. New egg is one of the things that it doesn't let you know when it's about to run. It just runs. New egg is just very random. What is support for naked brands? Let me take a look at naked brands here again. So naked brands again, as you guys know, they have news, right? Ultimately, what I'm looking for here is that level above $1. Can this thing clear $1 is the question, right? Can it clear $1? That is the question. Where is support? Support is at 83 cents here. Like support at 83 cents here. Those previous highs there, 83 cents, and then you're looking for like 74, right? So this level of 74 is a little bit more reliable, but 83.74, and then go from there. So there you go. Camping what is? Good morning, Jenny. Good morning, Latosha. I have a few contracts on, which is another. Oh wow, it is okay. Nah, they had good earnings yesterday. Okay, wondering if I should double down. Okay, so you have a few contracts. So you're in the gains already, hopefully, and you're asking if you should be averaging higher. Okay, let me take a look. Let me take a look, and then I'll take a look at ATER before the market opens here. Yeah, we still have a little bit of time before the market opens. We can take a look again. ATR, right? So OUST, OUST here. So yeah, these guys are gapping up a little bit here, 9%. So are you like you're great in that position, right, Latosha? If you are, then honestly don't mind that, right? So the recommendation again, obviously, it would be to give it a few minutes to see if this thing is actually going to keep running, just in case you don't want to be averaging up at the very high. The next thing you know, we're retracing back again to its favorite trend here, right? You don't want to do that, and then all of a sudden, let me see if I can just fix that there. So you don't want to do that, and then all of a sudden it's like, we're back to this is not really the best here. So not really the best here. But I'm just gonna leave that right there. Actually, I'm just gonna leave that right there. But again, so you don't want to average up on a gap up here, and then all of a sudden we're retracing back to that trend there. So again, the recommendation would be to just give it a minute or so, let this thing set, see if it seems like it wants to keep going higher. Then you can add it to your position, right? So good morning, Munash. Good morning. Good morning. ATR. Let me take a look. Let me take a look at ATR, guys. Let me take a look. So ATR here. So these guys had earnings, as you guys know. These guys had earnings. Again, like we've talked about this quite a bit in the sense that when you're playing with a stock, going to earnings, right? When you're going to earnings on a stock that's being sold off hard, right? That's a really good sign. Why? Because it's pricing in all the bad news. Like it's pricing in all the bad news, and all these guys have to do is be average, not say anything bad, and they're gonna resume higher, right? So again, all the good negative news being priced in here, right? And then resumption higher, right? So looking good there, right? Looking good this morning, 35% here, but we're also just pushing all the way, guys. Again, so just be careful because ATR right now is gapping up right to resistance, right? Be careful around this 840 level here. So if we can find a way to clear that level there, 840, we're looking for 860 and then 920 again. So 840 and then 960, 9 let me see here, 920, 920, right? So again, 840 resistance and then 920 there. So those are your next two levels to watch in terms of resistance. But again, gap ups are usually for selling, right? There are people holding some bags on this place here, so be careful just in case these guys are like, oh my goodness, finally getting my money back, I'm out of here, right? So again, gap ups are usually for selling, so be patient with it. Give it a few minutes here. Try not to rush in, right? Market open buys can be very dangerous, so be careful there. But it looks fine, right? Like this thing came back all the way down to support, right? Support at just around $6 here, and held up that level, and here it is bouncing. So yeah, it looks good there. Looks good. Again, this was also mentioned in Discord, a while ago, $2 ago. So it's not that I hate IPOs, Johnny. Johnny says, I know you hate IPOs. Let me see, where's your comment here? So I know you hate IPOs, but what are my thoughts on Rivian tomorrow? The IPO is tomorrow, isn't it? It's tomorrow. I think it's tomorrow, Johnny, or is it today? Has anything changed? I thought the IPO was tomorrow. So with Rivian there, it's gonna be interesting. Honestly, there's not a whole lot I can tell you here, right? If it's something that you like if you like the cars for some reason, or you like something about it, then go ahead and start scaling in. But if you're completely unsure, like my recommendation, John, is always to give it the first day. Like let all that rubbish again, let the price discovery happen on the first day. Huh? Telegram. So let the first day play out, and then on the second day, that's when you want to make a decision, right? So yeah, that's usually what my recommendation is, Johnny. Kodai, Kodai, you're in Discord. You're in Discord, Kodai. Take advantage of these plays. Right. Again, ATR was mentioned $2 ago down there, right, Kodai? So what will be the next entry for ATR here? Again, I would be waiting, right? I would let these people take the profits if we can retrace. Find a base. I find support at any level, and then I'd go from there, right? So, yeah, fill the gap. What time is it here? 3 minutes. Okay, 3 minutes, guys. 3 minutes left. So I think we can always come back here to these names and take a look. But we're gonna set up the charts here for what we need to watch here this morning, guys. So what are we watching? What are we watching here? Am I even taking a look at AMC? Let me take a quick look at AMC here, guys. AMC again, obviously AMC had their earnings and the call was not the greatest, and the market doesn't seem to like it. But again, AMC is holding above some key levels, right? Retracement, sure, but it's holding, like it's holding some really good levels here. So don't mind that at all. I don't mind this at all here. So that's fine. So what do we want to watch though? Is a question. So EVGO here is going to be on there. So we can watch EVGO here. GO. I'm sure you guys want to watch Naked Brands as well, so we can have that up for a bit here. So we can have that up for like a very on yeah. So I'm gonna leave that up there for a bit, Naked Brands, and let's see if this thing actually moves. So naked, and then ATR, and then we can just rotate. Like we can just rotate between plays here. Bitcoin guys, again, looking for that 70K level there potentially. So, I almost want to put on like a HUD or something, like a crypto play to watch. Um, hmm, let's see here. Up ATR for now. Put up ATR for now, but I feel like I want to, just keep a close eye on HUDs as they go into earnings. Potentially overextended, right? So EVGO guys, again, market opens in less than a minute here, and these names are some profit taking going on already there. Dr. Fowler, he showed up late. He showed up late. We've gone through all the pre-market movers already. So LAZR is working with NVIDIA. So the later system there is working with NVIDIA. So that's why they're doing well this morning. So Roblox is going to be exciting, Jeremy. Yeah, we'll see. BTBT, yeah. That's another one I want to keep a close eye on, Jeremy. Let's see here, guys. 1 minute. Are you guys ready? Are you guys less than 30 seconds? Less than 30 seconds here. Are you guys ready for the market open? There you go. So I can take a look. Yeah, I can take. Yeah, we've gone through LAZR. We've gone through all the pre-market movers. So I can take a look again in a bit. So I just want to watch the market open here. So yeah, we can take a look at LAZR. Uh, naked or what? Naked. What is a good investment? Good day trades. I would think naked brands are not again. So I would think ETR might be I can it depends on your capital, right? Like ETR might be a safer day trade. Like naked brands here. Again, watching for a dollar, right? A dollar is the next level of resistance here. So yeah, again, I would give it a few minutes here and then decide on what to play with. Don't forget to smash the like, guys. If you haven't smashed the like, take a second, smash the like, hit that subscribe if you're new, and yeah. ADA's hard row hand, yeah. ADA again. Scaling on your ADA below $2. Oh, is that naked brands? Yeah, right. So this is why you give it a few minutes, because if you form on the way up here, well, you're questioning your decision here now as well, going red to green, red to green, red to green. So yeah, just be patient with it, and here it is. Here we go now, right? So as these names are now turned to red, as EVGO turns to red here as well. So is I almost want to like I want to watch a lot more quite a few more things here. So naked brands, yeah, I want to watch like LAZR here as well. I'm just gonna keep rotating here with some of these names. As LAZR here again, market opens, we have a nice little pump, and here we are selling off now on LAZR here. So it's all over the place still. And what's AMT looking like here? Is AMT recovering? AMT not quite, not really, right? Not really here. So yeah, Not really, really. ATER will go to $3. No man, don't think anyone's questioning that. No, no, no. It's I took it he's 1 week ago and went into Volter and is running. Yeah, Volter like it's just Julie with the EV play there with the EV sector is done really well. And just quickly signing into my trading stuff here. Let's see. No, 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 no. Here you go. Let's see if AMC holds $40 here today, guys. You can see that AMC is clearly like sitting right at support there, right? That level at 41, 41.70. Like this level at 42 is just for dressing. But again, like the level that we talked about quite a bit is this 41.70 level here. So let's see if we can hold it, right? So AMC selling off, right? ATR selling off again. Gap ups, guys, all for selling. Gap ups. People take profits when they wake up in the morning and they see some nice gains, right? EVGO, no different here, right, guys? Again, so that's why again, wait for support, wait for these things to settle. AMC seems to again, AMC came back down to its support level here, and now it's bouncing, right? It's bouncing, bouncing. There you go, AMC. VLTA is running. Oh yeah. What's going with Charge Blink? Charge and Blink. The tanking. Hmm. Yeah, we'll see. Super chat from Michael, guys. Good morning, Chad and Blaze. Why is Surge halted? I can take a look. I can take a look here. Give me a second. Halted? Okay. Seems like quite a few of you guys asking for that, so let me take a look. I'm gonna get rid of. Let me take a look here on the daily. Sure. Surge pay currently halted up 17% here. Well, I mean, you can see why, right? So damn, that's quite a gap up there. A point. That's all I see there, though. I don't see any news here on my end, so this might be, not quite sure what that thing's pumping them. 1 second, my chart is just loading here. What happened here? So they did a split, right? Just like one of those one of those plays that does nothing for months and then crashes, and then they did a split here, right? They did a split, and here they up like up 17% here. Currently halted. I have no idea why, right? I have no idea why this thing is pumping here today. So that's something we're gonna have to maybe find out. So, good morning, Fidel. How are you? Good morning, Larry. Hello, hello. You know what I want to take a look at, though? I want to take a look at HUDs. As HUDs is basically sitting at sitting at wow, this thing is done really well. I want to take a look at the option chain actually for HUDs here. Uh, all the stocks are red. Oh, your stocks are red. Let me take a look at HUDs. The option chain here, option chain. All. Mm, mm, mm. Yeah, like this thing, the bid and the ask, like it's so spread out. That's the issue. Like it's so spread out. That's what's really annoying. Mm, let's see. Mm. I'm just quickly doing some. Mm. Banked of NVIDIA calls. What's a banked of NVIDIA calls? Oh, you did? Oh wow, Peter, you did? Okay, okay, okay. Nice, good job, Peter. Nice. That's amazing. On the calls, Peter, like, is there your like are those your first calls? So you do calls always. Augie, good morning. How are you? Good morning. Good morning. Yeah, let's move on here. Let's go back here to the other charts. I think we got rid of AMC in the middle there, but so let's go back. So let me put up something like a naked here. As naked again. So naked, we talked about again. So resist that thing needs to clear dollar, but support is all the way down here at 83 cents, right? So yeah, here it is, retracing back down to that support level, right? Again, gap ups are usually for selling, especially with this type of news, right? Like this news is not something again as an investment. If I see stuff like this for naked brands, I'm like, yeah, you know what? No, thank you, right? First of all, you guys are acquiring a company, and second of all, you guys are raising 300 million. You guys are selling 300 million shares. That's not a good sign, right, for naked brands here. Long term wise, also take a look at the float, guys, right? 750 million float. I mean, that's huge, right? That's huge. So not interested there. But naked brands can actually move. It can really move here. It can give you some nice gains, but for in the short term here, but long term is not something that I'm until other things change here. Not a really a good sign for me. So, but we can watch it though. So, AVGO selling off. Seems like these EV plays guys might be seems like they might be starting to sell off here. So that's that. Let me take a look what volatile VLTA looks like here. VLTA here is done really well, but again, same thing here. It's selling off as well, right? So some profit taking going on here. So yeah, so just be careful there as we go into the again. It's still like it's early. Look at this though, right? As soon as almost like these EV plays are turning around here together now. What time is it? It's been 8 minutes, right? So yeah, still plenty of time for the rest of the day here, right? If this thing starts breaking above the 17s again, well, 70. Here we go, guys. Here we go. Right. So yeah, there we go. Uh, where's resistance for AMC? Lewis, 45. 45 is the main level there to watch. 45, 45, 45. What's up, Chris? How are you? Chris, if you send me a message, I don't see it. Let me take a look. Let me take a look. La la la. Yeah, sounds good. Um, thing is booming. Yeah, but why they halted? Again, maybe I just need to watch it, right? So let me take a look. La, la. So yeah, search pay here, guys, right? Up 22%. Question is though, like, why are they moving? Do you know why? It's the question. Let me know if you do. Who said that? Sure, Nak. Let me know if you know why these guys are booming here this morning, right? So up 24% here, but I don't see the reason why. It's your here you go, here we go 770, there you go, right? So again, this is always a recommendation, right? Like, try not to buy the open, let it sell off, right? Let it sell off, wait and see where you can find support at. It seems like this thing is finding a base at 770, and it's just again, see, looks like it's trying to resume higher here, right? We sell off, and then all of a sudden we get to 770. It's like, oh, wait a second, I don't want to go down any lower, right? So how low can he go? Well, not any lower. Well, that's what the candles are saying here for now, and support and support and support and support and support, and then here we are turning around, right? So yeah, looking better here for ATR, right? Again, that next level of resistance is 840 that we talked about, right, guys? 840 is your next level to watch there, for resistance. No, no. Surge. What's going on with Shiba? Not a whole lot right now, right? So, not a whole lot. Down a lot could be something to look into, especially SoFi, right? SoFi with the earnings coming up, it might be something to keep a close eye on. Uh, Saw that to $2. $2 in what universe? I mean, they could do it. They could do it if AMC decides to squeeze, or they come up with some type of some type of news. But just randomly get to $2 again. Take a look at the float. Take a look at the market cap. Right, that's a huge ask for Sundown. That's a huge ask. So 10 million Shiba tokens, RV. You did nice. Good job. In your dreams, yeah, in your dreams. What's that selling off? EVGO here, yeah. EVGO guys, selling off. I think we looked at this stuff. What is it? What is that support level again? Let me see if I can quickly zoom out, go down there a little bit. So, but actually, this thing is looking not too bad here, right? But I don't know why it's moving. Is the question like why is this thing moving here? Why? For long haul, been in since 36 cents. Wow, that's BM24. That's really nice. All right. I know we talked about in the last week. We said again, like averaging in, averaging up, or whatever you need to do below $2 is not a bad plan, right? So the fact that thing's the fact that you're in at like 36 cents is pretty amazing. Pretty amazing. Litecoin, yeah, we talked about Litecoin a bit last night, and Litecoin looks good. As long as it sits above 234, it's fine. So watching for like 250 and 300. That's your next levels. Nvidia should go past 200 next year. I mean, I don't think anyone's gonna doubt that. No one's gonna doubt it. Again, guys, don't forget to smash a like if you haven't already. Hit that subscribe if you're new, and yeah, ADA for the win. ADA for the win. I'll take a look at PLTA, PLTR. So let me see here. Let me take a look at EVGO here on a bigger picture, on a bigger time frame here. So, because I feel like I'm yeah, we talked about being careful a little bit at these previous tops here. Yeah. Wow, that's quite the retracement there actually. Not sure why we don't have any lines here, but it is what it is. Again, you should not be buying at the open anyways, right? So should not be buying. Gap ups again, guys, offer selling. People wake up and see gains, they take it, right? So what else are you guys watching? CDC's poop. Yeah, because they missed earnings. They missed earnings. GE is something I want to take a look at again here because again these guys are splitting into three companies, right? So it's gonna be really 315 or $115 already, guys. There it is, right? And again, obviously you want to be careful at this level, right? You want to be careful at this 115. Well, guess what? We're sitting on 115 again here, so be careful, right? Because the last few times here we hit that level, we retraced. We hit that level, we retraced, but it's a little bit different this time because there's a lot of excitement here with GE, right? These guys are splitting into three companies, and not right away. 2023 and 2024, they're doing the splits here, so it's really interesting here. But just be careful around like 115 here, guys. Be really careful. Again, history doesn't repeat, but it rhymes, and they've done it already. Like they feel that this level, the previous two times, they've really struggled at this level. So we hit a new all-time high here today and 116.13, but unable to hold above 115, which is all that matters, right? If we can sit above this level for an hour, right, on an hourly basis, that's a really good sign. So, B, you're watching some Blink? Okay, I'll take a look at Blink. I'll take a look at Blink here. Blink. Blink charging. Blink is down 8% today. Right. With 36.35. Yeah. It's feeling like of these levels here, deep. Like it's feeling of these previous levels here and really struggling there. So you know what? I'm gonna switch this candlestick because that might be giving me a false signal there. But yeah, so not quite getting that confirmation above those levels, right? So really struggling to hold above that 36.40 there, 36.45 or whatever level that is, 36.40. So yeah, it's really struggling there. I don't know if I want to call this a gap to fill all the way down to $32 here. All right, but potentially. And I am so yeah, 9%. Shiba double bottom. I'll take a look at Shiba. And who said that line? Which line, Queen? What line are we talking about? Mm, Up 20%, yeah. Said you're looking to enter into skills. Okay, I'll take a look at KPLT as well. Maybe let me start off by KP Catapult here. I know these guys had some legal issues, right? So in the past, had some legal issues in the past year. So they're up 20% this morning. So that's really interesting here. So the next level I'd be looking for resistance here is like 550, right? 550 would be a next level of resistance, and then we can go from there. And then let me see here. Are you in it already? ZG, are you in it? Let me know if you are. If not, I'll take a look at skills. Skills. Yeah, skills looks fine here, right? It looks okay here for me. Let me see. I hate when I change like charts and then all of a sudden like we have multiple because like every line here represents a different color. They represent something else for me. So when I mess with the charts and then I get like a whole bunch of colors that look the same, I'm like, oh no, like what am I looking at now? It's just so like it's just such an issue here. I'm looking at this line right there. I think that's the 50. Yeah, I don't know why the 50 is looking like that though. Yeah, that's the 50-day moving average here that was sitting against right now on skills here. So it's right again, sitting above that line. So sitting right like around this level here. So there's some resistance here, as you can see, obviously, right? If you just follow this line and go all the way up here, you can notice that again, this was the fail. Like this was the again, that ended the run right there, the 50 MA and sold off. Ended the run again right here and sold off, right? So well, guess what? We're sitting at that line again here. If we can break above this level, right, and hold above, then that's a good sign. Then you're looking for $14, right? If not, we just be a little bit cautious here because support is not all the way down to $12, like 11.80, right? So keep a close eye on that level there for skills. Okay, you are okay. Pets. Well, okay. Let me take a look at pets. La, la, la. Pets. Down 20 cents. What are you asking for support? Okay, let me take a quick look here. Pets is a little tough here, right? So I feel like honestly for support, I'd be looking for a psychological level, a level like $5. Why? Because again, when you have stuff like this, I'm just trying to zoom in and find more levels, but I can't really. Six. Right. So when you have levels like this, so I'd be looking for $5, right, for support. When you have stuff like this that just basically goes up in a straight line, like those support levels are hard to find, right? Because again, you just straight up in straight up. So yeah, so I'd be looking for like $5 there for support. Um, what else? What else? I don't know how Wish is moving. Wish is moving because I don't know. Let's take a look. Is it green? Yeah. Wow. Look at that. Again, Wish came back. I know we rode Wish, guys. I know we rode Wish all the way to $6 last time. I mean, not exactly all we wanted. We wanted a lot more from this play, but it only gave us $6, and then came back down to that support. Right. So again, another entry level at 470. Right, 480, and it's trying to go again here. So again, nothing's changed, right? So uh nothing's changed here. So I'd be careful around this level, like in between like 550 and $6 here. I just be a little bit cautious though, right? So Wish again, your entry was right there off support, right? 480, $485. That was the entry. That was the entry. La, la, la. La, 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 la. Oh man, I need to call my mom. Apparently I ghost everybody, so I need to people send me messages and I just don't respond. It's not nice. Not nice, guys. I need to be yeah. La, la, la. Circle. Now about to get a speech. Brings Chris, what happened to this 9:30, Chris? Yours. Valon. Yeah, thank you for the feedback, Valon. Thank you. Feeling guilt? Yeah, of course. What about BBIG, guys? What's BBIG doing? What's BBIG doing? Is it doing anything actually? Because I've seen quite a few comments about BBIG here. Is this just like hope? Yeah, BBIG isn't doing anything. BBIG is just going stay well, stay case to hell. That's okay, Amber. That's okay. Um, that's funny. Yeah. What else? Squeezing in the wrong direction. Yeah, no, BBIG isn't doing anything. So I don't know why I'm getting comments about BBIG. Squeezing in the wrong direction. BBIG is halted. Yeah, halted forever. Chris, okay, that's okay. Good morning, Scotty. Bonjour, bonjour, bonjour. Let's move on. So back to the 1 minute time frame here since we've looked at quite a few charts. So I wanted to take a look at MT maybe. MT. MT is getting 41. Yeah. 41 is that ATR. Yeah, this thing's selling off as well, guys. Like gap ups, everything's just selling off. You get a sell off, you get a sell off, we all get sell offs. Like there's nothing really that that's appealing. It's been annoying for the last, like, especially on, yeah. So those plays, like, yeah, let's yeah. Mm, uh a new egg, Jason. Is new egg a play? Uh, Let me take a look. NEGG. Look at this rubbish, guys. Like, look at this. Like, look at this. Honestly, right? Like, New York is just like, this thing is just a constant pump and dump, like, over and over and over. Like, this thing was pushing for 1950, and here it is selling off again to $14, like down 22%. Well, again, expected. Why? Because when you see stuff like this that's running on no news at all, you want to be very careful, right? So yeah, New Egg, absolute rubbish. Support at 1380 here. So let's see if we can maybe test that level and hold above that level, 1380, and then go from there, Jason. Right? Pump and dump over and over and over. So except puts, yeah. VP, yeah. New Egg is perfect for, like, New Egg is just for shorting. You just short it every time it pumps. You short it. Second HOTS, Surge is it's pumping again. Okay. La la la. Let's move on here. So let's go back here to what, to AMC. There you go. So search, yeah. So this thing again, it's not really like it gapped up nicely here, right? It's had a nice run this morning, but the question is, like, why is this thing running? I don't think anyone is giving me that answer yet because I can't find anything. So let me know if you see anything here because I can't find it. So, yeah, just be careful. You're welcome, Jason. Emma, what about Xenog? Has been rubbish for little move, giving you hope for December calls, Walker. Okay. BG I'll take a look. I'll take a look. I'll take a look. BG BG I know this one's been talked about quite a bit in terms of, like, short interest and stuff like that. Yeah. Yeah, it's up at what, 9% here this morning. Yeah. 9%. Yeah, we've looked at this one quite a bit in the past as well here. So with all these lines in here. So as long as this thing sits above like 35, like $36 here, BGFE looks okay for me, right? As long as you're sitting above these levels that you've really struggled at in this, you can take a look at this here. Like, this thing has really struggled at this level. Like, it's really struggled, right? Again, before breaking above here today, it really played with those levels. So as long as this thing sits above like 36 here, need to get rid of that. As long as this thing sits above like 36 here, it looks fine for me for now. So if you can build a base above 36, that's a really good sign, because then you're looking for $40 for your next level resistance, and then all-time highs are 42.70, right? So sitting above 46, right? If we break below 46, then it's a red flag. But for now, holding above that level is a really good sign. So if you're in it, right? So Justin's going for $13. Well, first things first, that thing needs to clear 840, right? So he just made some OG. He just made some nice money on LAZR, $730. Nice. Did you see AMD? What's AMD doing? Oh no, guys, here we go again. It seems like every day I look up on AMD, it's another surprise. No, it's here we go. Right? So I mean, is this a surprise? Not really. But right? Yeah. It's red, 2%. Finally, guys, AMC sees red. AMD sees red for the first time in like forever. But it's again AMD overall though looks very good. So yeah, tried to make profits. It wouldn't sell and it dropped. KZ options. Maybe yeah. Like what options are you playing with? What options are you playing with? Elongates. Okay. Tesla down as well. Yeah, a lot of these a lot of these names have been doing really well. These names that we played around puts, virus, the Tesla puts, AMD puts. A lot of those names are finally for the first time in a while, they're actually dropping today. So yeah, interesting. So let's move on again here to the AMCs, right? AMC again, watching for that 40, the 40, 40, $40 level on AMC then. So watching that level very closely there as AMC slowly retraces. Search here, guys. Again, not quite sure where that thing's moving. And then ATR here, guys. Again, this thing needs to clear that level at 840, right? Before we get that next phase of the run here. Not quite doing it though. So what are you guys watching this morning that's actually performing well? What are you guys watching? Let me get rid of this here. I'm going to put up VLTA here. So VLTA again, not again. This thing's selling off as well, right? So again, wow, is today Wednesday, guys? For some reason, is the whole market at the moment? Okay, there you go, right? So yeah, like everything is selling off except for Wish. How's Wish the only name that's not selling off? Yeah, Wish. Right. So I'll put up Wish. I'll put up Wish then. So everything's selling up except for Wish. So we can watch Wish for a bit here. So is Wish actually? Well, I mean, it's sitting at the same area that we looked at last time. Well, it's getting a red candle there as well now. So not a huge move for Wish. Right. It's holding green, but this isn't. It's nothing special yet. Edit is doing okay, Beard. Okay, you're done on Lucid, Bebet. On Lucid, you must. I think you. Yeah. So you must have bought really high. Like, what's your entry price there for Lucid? Every day feels like a red day, but in the long run, green can be seen. Yeah. Honestly, Amber, like every day is red. Every day is yeah, red, red, reds. Hey, I don't see any obvious like standout traits here this morning. Like anything that's obvious. Most things are overly extended or they need to retrace, right? So there's not really a standout play here. Maybe Shiba needs to maybe Shiba needs to give us some gains here, and then we can go from there. I wish, yeah, Wish is actually Wish is trying actually, right? So let me pull up Shiba. I want to see what Shiba is looking like here. Want to see what Chiba looks like there. 55 still, yeah, hasn't really done a whole lot. So still just sitting at those same levels there. But Wish, wow, 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 wow. La, la, la. Just looking to edit some stuff here. Red on red on reds. Red on red on red, guys. Wow, Wish. Look at Wish go. Okay, then. I guess that's how it is. Come on, Wish. Wow. Uh, yeah, it's red everywhere. Let's come back next Monday. I mean, that's how it feels, right, Amber? Come back next Monday. Yeah. No, yeah. Jose, yeah. So don't quite see the reason for that though yet, right? It's doing really well, but not sure what the reason is. That's the question here. So Shiba trying. Let me pull up search G here again. right? We've looked at this stuff already today and wondered why is it's moving. No reason yet, but it's a small flood with volume coming in, right? So we can watch this thing closely. Like Surge might be you know might be a play there to watch. And mm, let's see. Making moves to the moon. Let's go. Yeah, OCGN has earnings tonight, right after the market closes here. You're jumping in on Tesla. Like options are crazy. Like you're getting like calls. That's what you're looking for, virus. Okay. The S&P because it goes green. Yeah. Mm-mm. You thinking Tesla? Jeremy, you thinking Tesla under 1,000? You think Tesla gets to under 1,000? Hmm. Yeah, I don't know if I see that. Don't know if I see Tesla. My profit is up down by 100%. That's madness, virus. That's absolute madness. Which calls are you buying for Tesla? You did, Bebeth? Okay, you bought some elongate. Okay. Oh, your options are down. Yeah, Tesla the 100K. Yeah. Trey, how are you? Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. I picked up some December the 3rd. Okay, $1,800 calls. Some cheap calls. Okay, December the 3rd, 1,800. Okay. Yeah, though that thing is how much a day, virus? How much did you pay for that? Yeah, mono, 433,000 a share. That's what happens when you have Warren Buffett and the team. Really? Wait, what? That cheap? Oh, okay. That's crazy. Huh. Not bad, virus. Not bad at all. Not bad. Oh no, yeah, mono, yeah. Is that like the most expensive one? Yeah. It's what the next big. It's okay. We are. We are in terms of like what? What stock is that? What are we are? What is we are? Mono. What stock is that? I want to invest in it. Let's go, Jim. How are you? What do I think about naked brands short term? I think you want to be really careful, right? So, it would have been nice if you were in it previously before this news came out, but now you want to be careful. Why? Because again, the news isn't exactly like it's nothing special, right? They're raising some money and they're doing an acquisition. That's not again long term. Okay, cool. You know, uh, but that's gonna have a negative impact, right? So just be careful there. Like it might be okay for now because it's surging, right? But long term wise, they're gonna need to fix some stuff. Sunda or no? You definitely won't be seeing that. I bought one contract of Tesla yesterday, and now you're crying. Oh, yeah, Tesla's so SLS, so OCGN has earnings today, right? So around $9, not too bad, right? It's not too bad, but just be aware that they have earnings, and it's a little bit of a gamble, right? So anything can really happen. So just be careful there. Be careful. Be careful. Mhm. Again, guys, don't forget to smash a like if you haven't already. Smash a like. Hit that subscribe if you're new. Buy the hype, saw the news. Yeah, on Sundown. Yeah, exactly. So especially for Sundown. Buy the hype, not for Sundown and Naked Brands, right? So buy the hype, sell the news. Price dog followed by at 5K. Okay, wow. Berkshire Hathaway. Today's sucks star. Yeah, there's not a whole lot. There's really not a standout. Like there's not a standout play here. Everything is just absolute rubbish. Like everything, rubbish, rubbish, rubbish everywhere. I followed the Tesla in my Honda. Wow, that is awesome. I usually see timid Tesla drivers, Craig. Why are you following a Tesla in your Honda? Is the question. You're like, why? Frank, are you in it already, or you're looking for an entry? What do I reckon? I mean, that thing's done really well. So there's nothing really negative to say about it. It's done really well. It's Tuesday, Wednesday's cousin. Yeah, honestly, yeah, we'll see. ATR, Jason. What about ATR? So again, those guys had earnings, right? They missed earnings, but the negative news was priced in already, so they're moving higher. But they need to clear again in order to move to the next phase of the run. That thing needs to clear 840 before you can go again, right? People just took profits at the open here. Is that Wish, guys? This is Wish, yeah. You know, everything, guys. Look at this. It's a Christmas sell-off. Is that AMC? Yeah, AMC just trying to hold above 40 here. Like it's trying, it's hanging on, right? So. Shiba again down badly. Shiba down badly. What do you mean by down badly? So just check your puts. Yeah, do I have any puts? I'm pretty sure I have some puts on whatever. So I'll check. I'll check later today. Um, So Naked, the juice company is getting into cars. No, thank you. Honestly, Diamond, like Naked Brands is they like they venture into some weird stuff. You're like so you guys are going from this to that. How's that possible? So you guys want to screw this up and screw that up? No, I'm just kidding. But it's just very questionable the way they do things. So I don't know what to tell you. Move with caution. Then you can buy the hype and sell the news. You can make some nice gains if you played right. So where's Shiba? Let me take a look at Shiba here again. Yeah, I'm gonna put up Shiba. La, la. What is it doing? I mean, it's still holding that level at 55, right? So not really doing a whole lot here. Just holding 55. So yeah, really disappointed me, but I still you're still still a patient words. Yeah, no more of those earnings were not the best, but it's holding 40 for $40 for now. So I had a third party to investigate. Yeah, no, Nance, that's a really good sign, right? It's a good thing. Well, good. It could be really good or really bad. Found out they have over 7 million naked shorts. I'm sure it's some covering. We'll see, right? We'll see. I don't know if that's actually going to affect anything. So following the trend. Trey, you really wanted to dip? Well, better start praying. If yeah, follow the AMC trend. Trey. Can you give us a play today, Mono, for Nick for Prague? Wish here is let me take a look at Prague. Mm, yeah, yeah, I can see what you mean by double bottom here, but like like $3 would be really nice if you can get it. Like $3 would be really nice, just because this thing's really struggled at that $4 level. There can't seem to hold it for some reason. So like testing three and holding above three would be really nice. I'm just looking at everything you're trying. Mona, you're just trying everything this morning. Yeah, guys. Again, there are gonna be days like this. There are gonna be days like this where there's nothing at all, right? And there's nothing wrong with sitting on your hands. There's nothing wrong, guys, with doing absolutely nothing and waiting for those plays. Waiting again. Let some of those plays come to you. Let the plays come to you and go from there. No need to rush, guys. Right? You don't have to. If you rush this plays, you're gonna lose. will graduate high school before it squeezes. She's only 4 years old, Manny. My daughter's gonna graduate high school for AMC squeezes. 4 years old. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. What's up, Mr. Zach Morris? How are you?
Pretty good, man. How you doing?
I'm good. Good to see you. How have you been?
I've been all right. Just been very busy here recently.
Okay, that's okay. That's okay. What are you watching this morning for plays? You watching Prague? Oh,
I am watching Prague because I have really good feelings about what their earnings are going to look like.
okay.
That's just my personal opinion, mind you.
Yeah.
And I'm looking for a comeback on PPSI because what they released yesterday, I mean, it should have ran up in my opinion. That's something
hmm
that the economy really needs.
hmm
So I think the sell-off is just people taking profit.
Okay. I like those plays actually. Like the ones that go up 200% and then red the next day. The third day is usually when that the consistent run actually comes. So
Yeah,
PPSI.
and I honestly think it's not a hype play. It's just realistic because
Mhm.
you talk about EV up and coming in the market. I
Mhm.
mean, we're gonna need technology like being able to charge cars mobily.
Yeah.
So, like, if you get stuck out in the middle of nowhere, have something to jump your car in your Tesla, you know?
Yeah.
So, I think
Yeah.
it's an up and comer.
Okay.
I don't necessarily like their financials, but
Yeah. Yep. Yeah. Look at Shiba. Come on, Shiba.
come on, Shiba.
Look at Shiba. How's Shiba doing for you, Zach?
Oh, Shiba has been great for me.
Okay.
You know me, I play futures.
Yeah. I know. I know.
Let's see here.
Uh, just looking at some orders. Uh, let's see. Let's see. Zach's. You guys hear Zach's music? Zach's baby music. You guys hear it?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you do, Siri? Wow, I wasn't asking you.
One moment, guys.
Okay. Change order. Prep executions there. My Siri's like, yeah, I hear it. No, I wasn't asking you. So yeah, I was listening, guys. That was creepy. Yeah. I'm just like just taking care of an order here. Na na na. Day. Market. Let's see. Commission 12. There you go. There you go, Zach. Welcome back.
Okay. How's it now?
Good.
Okay. Sorry, I got the daughter today.
Okay.
Wife's off at work, so
Okay.
if I have to jump in and out, bear with me, guys.
Okay. That's okay. That's okay.
Okay.
There you go. Space had earnings. Space is going up. Oh yeah, Space had earnings. Are they actually going up? Wow, Space. Interesting. Let me take a look at Space. Virgin Galactic. Wow, 21. Nice. Wow.
Oh, very nice.
Interesting. Yeah.
It's almost
We,
like it wants to join its company up in space.
yeah. Yeah. Space is going to space. ADA, wow, ADA is now at Crystal already. That thing was $2 like 2 days ago. It's at 231 already. That's nice. Yeah, that's really nice.
I'm very happy about that.
Yeah,
I got my ADA bag.
yeah, nice. Good morning, Nicholas. How are you? La, la. What is it? No, that's yeah, that's Prague. Yeah, Sietse. I don't know if I'm pronouncing your name right. I probably not, but yeah, most likely not. As gap to fill at 24. Yeah, December strike printing. Nice, 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 George. No. What's this Oz and stuff? I haven't looked at that yet. I haven't looked at that yet. Josh, is that a special ticker that you're putting there? It's a PSCE. What special ticker is that? Special ticker. What's it again, Josh? Zach. By the way, what's your outlook for Shiba? As you know where we're sitting at and stuff like that.
Um, I honestly think with all that FUD that was going on is the only reason why we went down in the first
Mhm.
place. I
Yep.
don't see it lasting. As you can see, it went from what 40. Does it go down to 46, 44?
Yeah, for
Now
42.
it's all the way back up there.
Yeah. Yeah.
I think it definitely paused our momentum, but
Mhm. It did.
the Sheeb army,
Yeah.
they'll pick it back up.
Yeah. Yeah. Uh,
PPSI is starting to come back up.
it is okay. Yeah, I was looking at that closely too. Like it's because like the third days of those runs. Yeah, I want to see like I don't know. Those guys have options? Oh no,
No,
no.
which is
Okay.
great. Less manipulation.
Yep. There you go. That's actually a good sign because then PPSI can recover. See, the baby agrees. The baby agrees, guys. Daddy didn't. You Ada? There you go.
I love those plays that don't have the options, and it's a lot more realistic. It's a lot
Mhm.
more fun. You don't have to worry about people pulling rugs off from under you.
Yeah. Yeah. Um,
Of course, options you make. If you do them right, you could be very,
yeah. You make some nice gains.
yeah.
Some very nice gains.
I'm sure some of you guys in chat know all about that.
Yeah.
I was overhearing your chat the other day. What, someone walked out with 10,000 from
Yeah.
400?
Yep.
Man,
$500 to 10K in the span of like 2 days or something.
you should be proud of yourself if you're
Yep.
in the chat right now.
Yep. Oh, people make a lot of money on options. People also lose a lot of money on options. So
Yes, this is very true.
yeah.
Oh, I'm very sure that's my daughter.
Is mooning this morning? Look at the charts. Yeah, Nicholas, we've looked at ATR quite a bit this morning. We talked about ATR last night as well. You're back, Fidel. Welcome back. What do you mean you're back? What happened? Those lose more than they lose more than they make, Joseph. Hmm. Yeah. Again, so let me take a quick look at the ATR here. Like these guys had earnings last night. They missed earnings. Right, but all that negative news seems like it was priced in already. So again, this thing needs to get back to 840, right? That's where your next level resistance is, and yeah. So wouldn't call
Isn't
this.
there?
Go ahead.
Sorry. Isn't there a press conference going on with OCGN today? Am I
Uh,
mistaken?
I mean, they have the earnings today, so I'm sure they have a like an earnings conference call.
Okay.
Unless it's something else. Zach Morse is in 18 hours, 4,000%, Josh. 4,000 BBBY calls 4,000% in 18 hours. Absolute madness.
Yeah, that
Absolute.
Kroger deal went really well for them.
Yeah. Oh, this morning, Josh says there was something this morning.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, for OCGN. So I'm not quite sure though. I'm not quite sure. Mana, it's not pumping, but what's the best entry for Mana? You follow Mana, right, Zach?
Yeah, it's 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 used on a virtual world called Decentraland. I've
Yeah.
actually been on there and created content myself.
So M-Sense is asking potentially what's an entry for Mana.
For mana, let's take a look at mana.
Let's go. As ATR guys continues to drop, right? So yeah, just be careful of them.
Let's see. So go to the 1 day here. So one thing you need to worry about with mana is if you look at the day chart, it is looking like it's on a downtrend.
Mhm.
It's moving below the moving averages. Hasn't come back up past it yet. It popped up for a little bit past the 200, but went right back down. So it
Okay.
looks like it's in a channel right now to the downside.
Okay. Mana. So like, what would be your target entry for that play?
Long term, I wouldn't worry about it because mana is a really hyped up project. I mean, there's a lot of things going on for them.
Mhm.
Short term, if you're looking for like a scalp, uh, you can argue. Let's see here.
Let's go. Mm, EVGO. EVGO. 15? Yeah. There you go, Robert. Mm,
All right, so if we were gonna go long or short term on mana, what I'd be looking for is your high would be $2.60. Your low, I'd say call it about 249
okay.
before it
C-Rod. I think.
bounces.
Okay. No, C-Rod says my new favorite YouTube channel. You know it's the best out there when I click on and Jesus is giving me stock advice.
Not
There you
financial advice though.
go. Yep. you
Let's get
know,
this straight.
yes. That's funny. I'll take a look at EVGO, Robert. So I'll take a look at that. I'll take a look at Roku, Dustin. So let me take a look at EVGO here. So this thing here, again, these guys gapped out this morning. Can't remember what the news was. Think Yeah, there we go. So Uber, EVGO expand partnership to offer Uber drivers access to discounted EVGO accounts, right, in pricing. So that's some news with Uber, right? They're moving with the whole clean energy space here. So EVGO looks fine here to me. Well, let me take a look at a bigger time frame here. So yeah, I mean, if you're in this thing, you're happy, right? You're really happy. If you're in it, really happy, like really, really happy. But again, just make sure this thing needs to quickly in the 1650 level, then it looks even better there, right? So 1650, that's your next level resistance. And then again, if we can break above that level and hold above that level, okay, you're looking to go higher. If not, then you're looking for retracement to like the 14s or whatever. So just be careful them, right? And then Roku here, I think Roku had earnings or has earnings one of these days, right? Okay, they had earnings already. They beat earnings EPS, but still kept going down. See, the baby agrees, right? Saying, "Get away from this thing." That's what the baby's saying. Say, "No, no, 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 no." Um, so, so Roku here, Dustin. I don't know if you're in it already, right? But this level isn't too bad, right? If I zoom out here a little bit, you're gonna notice that, yeah, like take a look at this. Like again, Roku pumped, retraced right to that level. Again, one single red candle here to that level, and had a nice run, right? Went on that crazy run, came back all the way down again, very close, and again here, and had a very nice bounce again, right? So new all-time highs. And then, well, guess what it's sitting at again here? It's finding support again in that range, right, Dustin? So it's not too bad, right? Again, if this follows the same pattern that is done the last three times, it's expected to bounce off this level and go again, right? So, there you
Yeah,
go.
and it looks like it found support at 276, so it's not too far away from that support.
Yeah, yeah. So let's see if we can bounce him. Robert, no, you're welcome, Robert. Good morning, Margaret. Bonjour, bonjour. Absence, behave. There you go. Super sticker from Lori. Lori, thank you for the super sticker. Really appreciate that. Thank you, Lori. What platform do you use for crypto? I mean, there's so many platforms now. There's like the Robinhoods. Well, that's less so. Coinbase, Binance, right? Where do you live, Lori? Where do you live? Where do you live? Yeah, where do you live? Let us have a Roku alert for calls. If it goes to 275, yeah, like it's not too bad at all, Josh, right? So yeah, that level's like 275 there, right? So 275, 274 here. That's not a bad level at all. To potentially look for some Roku calls, right? So yeah, again, it's done that in the past, right? It's done this it's done this in the past, Jim. That level, right? So yeah, we'll see.
TZ was halted. Let's see. Let's take a look at it.
Pets 33% now, Anthony. Oh wow, okay. Oh, with the fees, Lori,
Man, after that big dip, I'm sure people are happy they bought that dip.
on what?
Pets.
Oh yeah, yeah.
I looked at it last night. I'm like, oh, well, guess they changed their mind. But
Yeah, look at this rubbish already. PPSI is halted already. Unbelievable.
oh, yeah.
Unbelievable. Already?
Look at that.
Already? Wow. Look at that, guys. Look at
People
that.
like those mobile chargers, guys. It's
Yeah.
all about, convenience.
Yeah. PPSI, guys. Look at that. Out of nowhere. Just, Zach came on with, I'm telling you guys, like, this is you guys are playing around. We bring on the Zach Morrises. Zach Morris is on the show, guys. Well, the Zach Morris came on and said, yeah, guys, buy some PPSI. And look at that. Right away,
Yeah.
it's halted.
How'd you guys like CEI, huh?
Yeah. Unbelievable. That's a 1 minute candle there, Zach. That's 750, almost 850. It's a nice little candle there. So, really well.
Jeez.
Really nice.
It's really funny is because this morning I actually re-entered it this morning. I didn't ride it all the way up to the top yesterday. I only got 10% off of it. I'm like, oh well, there it goes. But then it came down, so I re-entered this morning when it was down 22%.
Okay.
Because I still feel like it's a good idea.
Yeah.
I just didn't know people were gonna go that
Yeah.
wild over it.
Yep. So we can leave this on as well here on the screen. So yeah, there you go. What's AMC doing here? Not a whole lot. You listened to the AMC conference calls yesterday. Good morning, Christy.
I didn't catch it.
Okay.
I was busy man yesterday.
Okay, sounds good. Uh, the Shiba channel is getting tighter and tighter. It is, Nas. It is. If Shiba can break above 16, then it gets really exciting. Just go at 60, Shiba. Just give us a 60. That's it. For PayPal, it's bleeding bad after the earnings report. Let me take a look at PayPal. So PayPal missed earnings, is that what you're saying? PYPL? Yeah. So PayPal missed earnings. Well, they beat earnings, but I'm sure there's a reason why this thing's falling here. Because again, it doesn't matter whether you beat earnings or not, EPS wise, right? Guidance is really important. So let me see what this is saying here. So PayPal I'm sure there's a headline. Like again, the market will always find a headline to follow, right? So that's what I'm looking for here in this article. PayPal, PayPal, PayPal. It just seems like it's a whole market thing. That's what they're saying. The entire market going down, but I don't think so. Uh, yeah, I might need to find something else with PayPal here because I don't see it there. But in terms of like resistance and support levels here for PayPal, PayPal. Wow, that's quite the sell off there actually. That's quite the sell off. 270 and it's just been non-stop sell off here to $200. Maybe watch for like $200 here actually, right?
Yeah,
That's
I would
yeah,
be watching that like a hawk
yeah,
because PayPal we know to still be a pretty good company. It's
yeah,
got a lot of good things going for it. So people are fearful. Look for your opening.
yeah, exactly. Like look at that. So that's such a huge sell off. Like, you would think this thing would be, PayPal. Oh,
Yep, it bounced right off that line too.
yep,
Ping.
yep. There you go. 555. Samuel, okay. You're ready for the next one? Okay, I'm ready. Sam, PayPal here, guys. Watch for that $200 level there. Let's see if we can bounce off that $200 level and then recover higher, right? So that's not a bad spot at all for some, potential calls. So,
And Virus, by the way, space is doing great. You don't need to worry about space. It's going up to space, so
yeah,
it's still on a good trend to the upside. Got a lot of volume. A lot
yeah.
of volume.
Go for 22. Nice.
That's
Space
above
going to
9.
space. Space going to space, guys.
Pets was above 9 there for a minute.
Okay.
Looks like it got rejected though.
hmm With your food ambience, yeah. I just lost my internet and using my phone to watch both your play and the stream virus. Yeah, yeah. So yeah, no paper. There you go. Right. So watch for that. I think I can't remember who was asking Lotosha. I don't know if it was you. But yeah, watch for that $200 level there. So yeah, and then go from there back to AMC and the rest. The rest. What's that? Is that are we still on Hotty? On Hotty, yeah, it is. So this thing ran all the way. Wow, wow. PPSI all the way to $9 actually. Like this thing ran all the way to $9 on that candle there, 8.95, and then backed off. Wow, that's impressive. How volatile
It's
that thing is.
it's nuts.
Yeah.
It's going crazy.
Yep. Hmm. People are just dumping ATR right now, Nicholas. Well, I mean, the trend is your friend, right? The trend is your friend. The trend always resumes unless So again, ATR has been trending down for the last month. So it goes up on a single day. That's not good enough, right? It's not good enough to just say, "Oh my God, now we're ready to go to the moon." No, right? If you're going down for a month and you have one green day, well, guess what's likely to continue? The redness, right? So Jenny says, "Come on, Shiba, give us a boost, please and thank you." BGIV is now flying. Okay, 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 okay. Let me take a look. I know this is
Hey,
one.
Blaze, real quick, what chart are you using for Shiba? Are you using Coinbase?
Using Binance.
Binance, okay.
I use Binance and KuCoin.
Okay.
Yeah, Coinbase seems to be over the extended, so you just extend it.
Sorry to interrupt.
Oh, yeah, that's okay. That's okay. Profit on it. Yeah, we'll buy back near $6 at the end of the week. Yeah, honestly, Josh. Yeah, you took your green as well, Nicholas. Okay, good job. Locking those gains. Kind is doing well, up 11%. I know Hazel mentioned Kind. Yeah, Peter, remember Kind? Hazel mentioned Kind yesterday. I think and then he's doing really well today. So it's halted again. Oh wow. No, it's on halted now. Star. Yeah, it's on halted now. No. What's a good entry for ATR? That's like what's your reason, Eli? Is the question, like, what do you ever actually, like, do you have a reason for that, like for looking for a position in ATR? Let me know, because then that gives me a different answer than than saying look for this and look for this. Your trading view is frozen star. Oh yeah. Roblox all-time highs. Yeah, Roblox beat earnings and they look really good, right? So they look really good, like really really good. BGFV here is looking really good here now. Just hit a new all-time, like just hit a new high for the day here. So what are you looking for? You're looking for $40 on this play here next. Looking for 40 and then looking for 42 all-time highs. So, but if you take a look at Roblox here, uh, like they wow, like they all-time highs, guys, on this play here today. It looks really good. Looks really good there. So.
As far as entry level for PPSI, guys, I would wait until it finds support before you start jumping in. That would be the most efficient way to do it. Of course, FOMOers are going to FOMO, but I always look for it to come back down before jumping in, especially when you see big candles like that.
Mhm. Oh, Car, that's not a good thing. We talked about this already today. How will 300 million affect naked brands? Well, I mean, long term, it's good for them. Well, there's just so many pieces to the puzzle because, like, long term, it's like, oh, wow, okay, cool. You guys are raising money to potentially work on your future, which is a good thing. But also, right, also they're raising money, they're adding again. So now imagine you have your pizza, right? Well, I'm not going to go down that road, that analogy is too complicated, but it's all about supply and demand, right? So now you're adding more supply to the demand. That's not a good thing, right? So they're having like what, a billion shares in, like, in the float. That's massive. Like, do I want to play with a name long term that has, I mean, that much free float available? Yeah, no thank you. So again, it's I don't like it. I don't like it. That's just my opinion. Find support at 750 under the over the last day, Josh. Yeah. Is it too late to buy ADA? It's not too late, but I would recommend scaling in. Right. It would have been nice if you bought it a few days ago, below $2. There it would have been really nice, but don't think anyone's gonna tell you that it's too late for ADA. I think so.
It looks like, let's see.
Yeah. Look at Roblox. Wow. Wow, guys. Roblox about to hit a new all-time high here, guys, and almost, and there it's gone, guys. New all-time highs for Roblox here, and new all-time high.
You know,
Go ahead.
it's funny with Roblox. Like, I actually heard about it from my kids.
Hmm.
Like, they were all about Roblox.
Yeah,
In fact, one time they took my wallet,
yeah,
they took my card, and they
yeah.
bought Robux. And now Roblox is paying me back. So
Yeah. There you go. Right. Sometimes it's the kids, you know. Sometimes it's the kids that get you, Peter. Why your kids getting any these type of gains, or your kids can only eat all the food in the fridge? Unbelievable. You're in? Okay. At 1520. Seems to be recovering. Thoughts on resistance. I'll take a look these two. Fortnite? Okay. Fortnite. Fortnite. Let's see.
wait,
Roblox,
is
Roblox.
Fortnite a stock?
I think there might be a parent company or something. I don't know. Shiba Inu, let us
I
know.
was gonna say I need to
If it
buy that
was,
too because my kids
if
spent $300 on that.
yeah, if it was, I feel like we would know. I feel like there's a parent company though, so somewhere.
It's to the point where nobody can mention Fortnite in my house anymore.
Wow. Yeah. With the burnt shepherd's pie. Pete, I tried. I tried, Then they didn't like the ice cream either, Peter. So, uh, oh yeah, EVGO for you. These two. Yeah, let me take a look at EVGO here. As again, Roblox looks really good. Nothing to say about that there. AMC here is again holding $40 for now, so that's the only positive for now. But let me take a look at EVGO here. So we've looked at this one a bit here today as well already. Wow, there you go. These three, very nice, right? We talked about holding about this 16, whatever level this is, this previous top level here. So again, holding above the 1650 level is a really good sign, right? Yeah. So at least trying to, right? So again, you're in a good position there, right? Around 15 or whatever. Just don't go red, right? That would be the only recommendation there. These two, just don't go red in that position there. Again, it's like it's extended, like this thing is extended, so if it wants to retrace, you don't want to be a part of it, right? So easily could retrace to $14 and still look fine, but you don't want to be a part of that, so just don't go red in that play there. Where's resistance? Let me zoom out here a little bit. So above that 1650, you're potentially looking for like $20 here, right? Looking for like 20, just a nice psychological level there. 18 maybe, almost like every dollar here actually, because you can see like these candles at like every dollar. So yeah. Epic, yeah, Epic owns Fortnite. Okay, Epic.
Epic.
There you go. There's your next play, Zach. There's your next play.
They did deny me my refund, so
Okay. Like, too bad your kid spent it.
I asked, "Are you sure?" multiple times.
Yeah.
Thanks, guys.
Yep.
I appreciate you the flexibility you're offering me right now.
Alvaro, so what did you pick up? You picked up some ocgn calls. So what did you do? AGC. Quality, you holding some Roblox. Jeff says, Zach, what do you think about Prague?
I'm very bullish. I like what they've come out with so far. The news that they've been putting out as far as changing staff, I feel was warranted. Didn't think there was enough movement for what the company wanted at that particular point. So I think they made a good call on who they chose. And with all the patents that they have out and earnings being tonight, once again, this is not financial advice, but I think it's going to take off. My opinion.
Okay.
I see it. My personal price target for it, and I'm not saying you should go off this, and I'm very conservative on mine, is $7 by the end of the year.
Okay.
But that's just me.
Okay.
Do your research.
Yeah.
Figure out why I came to that conclusion.
Mm-hmm. There you go. Always. Yeah, there you go, Tim.
I gotta say, I really do admire that the retail community of traders has really come together since GameStop. You see all this, all these groups being formed, and I came across Blaze's channel, and the community here has been so great, and everybody is so entwined with each other. I mean, I can do movie night.
Yeah.
And it's just very casual conversation and bouncing ideas off of each other, and it's a really good thing to see.
Yeah. No, we have a cool community.
Definitely.
Yeah. There you go. Lucid, it is. Lucid.
Oh, ocgn pumping back, huh?
Let's go. Let's go, ocgn. I mean, I wouldn't call this pumping, but it's trying.
Yeah, it's not dragging its feet anymore. We'll put it that way.
Yeah. Lucid. What's Lucid doing? Oh wow, Lucid. Wow. Lucid got to 45 already, Josh. Wow.
Oh,
you see how much stuff I miss, Josh, when I'm streaming. Like, wow. Yeah. Like Lucid Lucid looks really good here. Like, it looks really good. This thing ran all the way to $48 today. Oh my goodness. $48.
Blaze, we're just gonna have to get you some multiple monitors. We're gonna
Yeah.
have to get you like 5 more.
I know. Unbelievable. Like the plays that I want to make and I get distracted. I'm like, wow, unbelievable. I wanted to get the puts like close to $50. That's what I wanted to do for Lucid.
Yeah. You
So
don't think it's gonna pop up past that?
no, I think it will. But I just wanted to get like some short, like just a quick scalp.
I gotcha.
Yeah. No, I think Lucid
Just
is a
for
good
that
bet.
heavy
Yeah.
psychological level.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. No, I think Lucid is a good company long term, so not worried about that. Just a quick play. Would- I rolled the die. Josh would be the best to ask. Oh, about no, Jeremy, ask Varus, please. Would you buy options in so which ones? So obviously they'd have to be, again, depends on your outlook for Jeremy, depends on your outlook for PayPal. But again, like we talked about, as long as I think holds above $200, it's not too bad, right? Not too bad at all. Which calls would I be looking for? Something for like next year. Something for next year. Not like the short term plays here, like something for next year. Since that support virus, okay. Dave, what's your position in Ford? Let me know. Mets from some analysts, $3 price target. Wow, $3 for Mets. Wow. Super chat from Anthony. Anthony, thank you for the super chat. I have Tesla puts that expire on the 19th, down 10% right now. Should I hold or get out? I don't think Elon said so. Elon sold yet. I don't think so. Right, don't think so. The 19th, so you have about this week and then next week as well. So you're down 10%, and Tesla is showing some signs of. Let me take a look at Tesla here. Tesla on the daily.
I've got halted.
Okay. Tesla.
Taking a look at that.
Okay. Tesla here. So Tesla. Um. So. So Tesla again retraced all the way down to this what? Like, wait, what? Oh wow, nice. I think most people were looking for this level in Tesla, right? Again, so 250, almost like $1,250 here. So a lot of people were looking for this level, like $1,000 here for Tesla. So wow, that's really nice, right? That's a really nice position. It's a get. I don't know if you're gonna get below this level is the issue, Anthony, right? We retraced the support already, right? If some type of news comes out with Elon, well, then it does. We can't really tell, can't really predict the future there. But this thing came back down to support, and you would be expecting this thing to bounce up this level. So that's a tough position to be in, right? I don't know if you have like Anthony. I don't know if you have like a level that you're willing to say, okay, this is 10%, but I'm gonna get it at 20% or 15% or something like that. Uh, but like, how you when did you get into those puts? How come you're still red on those puts? I think it's a good idea to buy the dip. Steve, for the most part, it's always been a good idea to buy the dip for Tesla. So I mean, Tesla just keeps going and going and going. So yeah, so if $1,000 would be that support level there, and then go from there.
Yeah, I realistically, like, Tesla's been so crazy up, it's been hard for me to really think of it up at the levels that it is
Yeah.
right now. I definitely think I would be very happy if they did a stock split, though, because I would like to get in at a cheaper price.
Yeah, I think you won't be alone. You will not be alone.
That
Yeah,
and Amazon, right?
yeah. Amazon. What else? Nvidia.
Which is where I work.
Oh, nice. Here you go. Yeah, guys. Amazons.
I actually recently just got promoted there.
Yeah, nice. Look at this, guys. Zach is making money in the game, in the stock market, making money, on the job. Look at this, gains and gains. Very nice. Congrats, congrats.
Hey, I figure I gotta make money on the stock market, gotta make money here, so I might as well make more money there.
Yep.
And if I keep on moving up, then eventually they give you Amazon stock every year.
Oh, nice.
So
That's really nice. Yeah. Very nice. Cynthia, so thoughts on GE? Do you see it going higher? Let me take a quick look at GE here. So again, like we talked about earlier, right? GE is doing that split, right? They're doing they're doing their three company split, right? They're spinning off their three divisions into three separate companies, right? So only concern here about again, I don't mind GE here, right? Don't mind it at all. Like we've really struggled at this level in the past. This like 115 level here, this level right here that we're sitting at right now. So if we can find a way to like hold above this level on an hourly basis here, then it looks really good, right? Again, filled right there and sold off, filled and sold off. Well, guess what? We're sitting at exactly that level again. For now, though, it looks good here, right? We're actually holding above. So if we can hold above this level, close above this level, above 115, then it looks really good for the upcoming. Yeah. There you
Yeah, I
go.
think Walmart is good too, Peter.
Yeah. Honestly, Peter, unbelievable. Um, I know where Peter's going with that question. Um, Unbelievable. Peter wants
Where's
you
he
to move
going?
up. He wants you to move up in the Walmart ladder so you can get some Walmart shares too.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know. I don't the people that are like that own Walmart, I don't really care too much for.
Yeah.
My personal opinion.
Yeah.
That doesn't say anything about their company
Were
or
you the
how
one
they
that
treat their
called?
workers.
Yeah. Jeff says, Zach, were you the one that called Fami? Called Fami? Or was that what's the other dude's name? He's been gone.
I didn't call out Femi.
Okay. There's the other dude. Something. The other Twitter guy. Wormeat. Was that Wormeat? I have no idea.
Yeah, I can't remember the name.
Yeah. Good morning, man. How are you? Mike, thoughts on Wish? Do you have a position in Wish? Let me know. I sold my with this morning for 100% and bought as it went down. Then it popped back up. Anthony, okay. So I put this morning for 100% and bought. Yeah, yeah. Any thoughts on Fami? Are you, Mike? I'm looking for some details, Mike. You're giving me nothing. You're giving me the answers. So let me take a look at Fami here. Fami's still in that range, guys. Like Fami's done nothing. Like
Look at
absolutely,
that
like
big
yeah.
U.
hmm
What? What?
You like it's just so like it's just like Fami's just in like its favorite range here. Like it's
I,
been doing this forever, right? Like this 30,
it just don't even seem natural.
yeah. It's just
It's like so perfect.
yeah. I don't know. I don't know honestly. So I'd be careful though with Fami. Until this thing can regain some type of momentum for now, right? I just be a little bit careful here. For now, like we're just riding the 99 EMA level here lower. So right, we're hitting it and failing and failing and failing. So I'd be waiting until we can clear like the 38s, right, for some momentum to come in, and then maybe it looks better. So
Did they open up options on Fami yet?
I don't think so. I don't think so. Not on my way of. Don't think so. And then for Wish here, Mike, like Mike, Wish has support at 480 here, right? 480, that's where your support is, and resistance at $6. So we're sitting in the middle of that range, not really doing a whole lot here, right? In the middle of the range, are we gonna go up? Nobody knows. It's trending in that direction. It's looking better than the other meme stocks here today, so that's a really good sign, right? If your stock is green on a red day, when the market is red, your stock is green. That's a good sign, right? That's a really good sign. So, and yeah. So for now, Wish looks okay here. So. Mhm. Maya, about for pets? A lot of questions about pets here. I know we've looked at pets already quite a bit today. Yeah, I guess there's a reason for this, up 30%. So people are like, oh man, like pets is the only thing that's pumping today. Well, let's go over to pets, right? So, pets. Like what, Maya? What's it? If you're holding pets, like what's your position in pets? Let me know. What's your position in pets here? I'm looking to see if I can find some levels here. Like this thing's so overly extended. Like it's just it's hard to read. Like stuff like this when a candle does stuff like this, like just straight up, you're like how do you read that, right? So I just right back down. So you know this looks a little bit better here in terms of like consistently rising. So this is a little bit better here, but it's still like still just a vertical move, right? So I'd be careful. Like I'd be really careful here. So yeah. Dark red to green. Nice, Tal. That's a really good sign. Uh, Hive is halted again, Zach. Wow, Hive. Any clue what it might be? No idea. Ah,
Well, it's blockchain based.
yeah,
Might just be running off of.
Bitcoin stuff. Yeah,
Hmm.
yeah. So could you take a look at T? Looking for an entry, please. So let me take a look. Peb. So, this one here. So this is another SPAC. You're looking for an entry into this play here. Man, oh man, like these names, Pep, where we're doing stuff like this, stuff like that. Like it's like these little U's there. Like over and over and over. Like what like really pump and retrace. Another U, they like multiple cups, right? And retrace, cups, retrace. Um, what am I looking for here? Yeah, I'm just. This looks a little bit. So like, what's the news here? Do you know what the news is? Pep. Like, is there any type of news to this? Cuisine. So November the 9th here. So Tuatara agrees to combination with us Spring Big Public to take Spring Big Public. Agreed. What's a Spring Big? Do you know what that is, Pep? That might be something that you have to research. That would read marketing solutions provider in cannabis industry becoming a oh yeah cannabis stuff. I mean, that's not the best, right? So sure, it's a cannabis play they're merging with, but again, it's not like the cannabis sector is hot right now. Like the cannabis space needs for cannabis to be legalized on the federal level before these things can really start pumping here. So for cannabis and not become listing company, okay, cool, yeah. So I'm just looking at these cups here, Pep, and you can see that cup and down, cup over and over and down, cup and down, you and down. Again, are we about to go down again here? Well, probably. I don't know, right? So I might be watching for again. So either I'd be waiting for a retracement back to this back to this level here at like 975 or like 970 here actually like 970. That's what I'd be waiting for, retracement to that level, right? 970 or waiting for this thing to clear $10. Those would be the two things I'd be waiting for. What is it? I'll drop some super chats. Let's go, scholars.
Oh yeah, guys, don't forget to hit the like.
Yeah.
No, yeah, we got some good stuff going on here. Showing the thumbs up really helps out the channel.
Let's go.
Gets the visibility with the YouTube algorithms.
Let's go, guys. Jeff says trying to get into some cheap stocks and ride gains into the better into better companies. Father and so provider for nine. Wow, nine. Okay. Uh, you have yeah you've helped me make some great gains. Thank you. Absolutely, Jeff. Absolutely. Teamwork, right? Teamwork, teamwork, teamwork. So yeah, that's like Peter's family, Jeff. Peter's family. Peter has a lot of kids. A lot of kids. So yeah. Yeah, Jeff, let me know if you need any help. Again, there are a lot of people in the community here that are willing to help, right? So please let us know if you need anything. Please and thank you. There you go. Please and thank you. $20 calls for forward expiring this Friday. Okay. Let me take a look at NVIDIA again here. So I don't know what I'm going to find here. La, la, la. Yeah, like honestly, there's nothing like Nvidia is just an absolute watermelon. Like it just keeps going, like high after high after high. Like it just hit a new all-time high today. Like this thing looks really good. So I don't know what to tell you. right? Maybe a retracement to $300 at some point here today, at some point before we go again. But this thing looks really good. So yeah, Nvidia splits. Zach, Nvidia splits? Probably not. Yeah,
I want to
Peter's a
hold. I want
hero.
to hold your breath.
Yeah, nope. Yeah, yeah.
I
Uh,
think they're very, very comfortable with the amount of revenue that they're bringing in.
yeah, I think so too.
If they
I
did
think,
it, it would literally just be for their stockholders.
yeah, yep. I beg, I beg, teach me your skills. No, ask Peter, Steve, ask Peter. Without any near term, yeah.
Lots of stuff going
Yeah.
on today.
Yeah. Oh yeah, space. Yeah, I know. I know, Josh. Is that the same as HOTS? No, Jeremy. A halt is just most of the time when you get a halt, it's a volatility halt, right? Based on news, like some type of okay, well, a halt is again volatility halt means it moved away too much and they're just cooling the jets a little bit. Whereas a suspension is something coming, right? Some type of news, something's coming, right? So, but either again, both of them like take the stock out of trading, right? So, of course, I don't mind to give half to give half to Steve. Let's go, Steve.
PTZ is almost at 9.
Wow, Feds, guys. Pets, pets,
Nuts.
pets. Yeah, absolute madness.
Kind of got excited about ATER there for a minute.
About who?
I was thinking about ATER there for a minute,
Oh,
but
look, yeah. Well,
looks
look
like
at
people
that.
aren't excited about it anymore. It's like, come on, guys,
Yep,
you just got it to 7.
yep, yep.
FOMO, FOMO, FOMO. No, don't
FOMO.
FOMO, guys.
Yep. Yeah, of course. Steve. You know. Uh, it's funny. Like it's funny. Like it's just the language. I don't know Steve, but like just the language. I feel like Steve and I are connected. So if I sell less than a year, will I have to pay? Martina, you just have to look it up based on your region, Martina, right? Just have to look it up or call like a tax accountant, somebody, right? And then go from there. And go from there.
AGC. I don't know about the good entry part. It looks like it's in the middle of a run. And you don't know what that bull's going to do.
Yep.
Don't grab the running bull's horns unless you know it's been running for a while and it's tired. Then buy a put.
Yeah. That's crazy, Tim. It hit your stop. My stop was on pets was it hit $4 and less. No, Tim, don't do that. Tim, like Tim again. Oh, like do 3.99. 3.99, Tim, not 4.01. Because like those levels, like on top of $4, like $4 and above, like those are very fishy, right? Like I always do like 3.99. Something 99. Because if you put it just on top, it's easy fish, easy baits to be taken. That's annoying. 717. I intend to cash out at $10. No greed. Okay, nice, Steve. Nice. Good job. Yeah, I hope we get to $10 here soon. Just don't go again. Also, don't go red in that position, right? So you sold 200 shares, Nas. Okay, good job. Shiba Inu, bread and butter. Bread and butter. Check LTC. We looked at LTC earlier today. Like what's your position in LTC? See, all the way down, all the way down.
Oh, speaking of Shiba Inu, when's the next time we're gonna burn some Shiba? Have Mindy burn some Shiba because that was
I
great.
know.
I was at work when I heard you guys doing that, and
Yeah.
I was laughing. People were like looking at me weird.
I mean, if you guys want to burn there's a giveaway for 1.2 million Shiba. So if you guys want to burn that instead of a giveaway, we could do that. My voice, Josh. Like you mean like did I say? Oh, you mean because of because of the baby? Or Josh, why? Why, Josh? Why? I don't know why. Here we go on pets. Look at that $10, Steve. Here we go. Here we go, my guy Steve. Come on, give me $10, please. Come on. Just 70 cents. That's it. Is that too much to ask? That daycare center reference was a joke, right? Oh, you mean the baby? Oh, my voice changed. Oh, that's not me, guys. That's Zach's baby. That's the. I was. uh, It was okay. 2:30, and it said nah to sell at 272 275. Okay, I'll take a look. Go pets, go pets, go pets, go. Baby shark. Uh,
Yeah, my daughter's addicted to cocoa milling, guys. Sorry. She gets into mischief if cocoa melon's not on.
oh, the background baby Josh. Okay.
Burn BBIG instead. Aw. No, Peter, I do not own a white van. I'm not that guy.
Unbelievable. Unbelievable, Peter. Let's burn BBIG. Yeah, yeah, Zach. Yeah,
I own a Corolla with a
Corolla.
horrible paint job.
Corolla. Efficient, reliable. There you go.
Yes. But the
Family stuff.
paint sucks. If you put baloney on that, start peeling right off.
Wow. Especially with the kids. Oh no.
Yep, teenagers.
Damn. Kids. The kids, guys. Have a new member from today? I think someone just upgraded the membership.
It's really funny. I live right by Fort Knox,
Yeah.
and they're testing tank rounds right now.
hmm
So occasionally, like they do it through the day. They're nice about it, and it does shake the house when they do it. 2 pictures just fell off my wall.
Oh wow. That's funny. Not funny, but yeah.
Oh, good old Kentucky.
Yep. Oh, Josh, you guys are looking for some space puts? Yeah. I don't know about space. Going higher. I don't know honestly. Let me put up space. So space here. Space puts.
I'll be back in just a minute, guys.
Okay, sounds good. Yeah, honestly, yeah, not again. So space is on the only reason space is moving here is because actually again revenue increased from last quarter, right? So other than that, they have no catalyst, right? Like nothing at all. So I can see space going lower. I can see space going lower there, but so let's see. Here we go on PPSI. PPSI again. AMC is like done nothing, guys. AMC is basically just sleeping today. So sleeping, sleeping, guys. And pets, wow, pets is trying. Like it's really trying them. Star. Can you explain why LTC hit? Because momentum. Yeah, it hit 389 because of momentum, right? Also because again, it followed Bitcoin on the way up during that time there, but a lot of momentum, a lot of hype. So that was back then, right? So hopefully a double bottom on Shiba. Yes, I hope so too. I hope Shiba can Shiba can figure its stuff out and start bouncing, start getting back above the 60s and the 70s, and then back above. For Nox, you were Umber Beast. Yeah, today's just a day for scalping. Like, just scalp, scalp, scalp. Like, just little plays, Josh. Like, I would just be scalping. Like, nothing like, 100 shorts right off. Wait, what? Nigga padded shorts ripped right off? What do you mean, Josh? It's selling off? Let me take a look at Naked Brand TM. I mean, like, we talked about this already, right? Like, that news was not I guess it's not good news by any means, right? It's good for scalping, but when you see stuff like that where you're raising money to go acquire a company, so you don't have enough money to do that, and then you have a billion shares and you have no money and you're below a dollar, like it's just red flag after red flag after red flag. So it's not really something that's appealing to me. So
Yeah, it's like HCMC. Have you guys ever heard about that one?
no.
It has the most shares in the stock market.
Wow.
It's like Shiba level price.
Yeah.
And they just kept on adding shares. Like, and that's a public company. It's like,
Well, I
what are
know.
you doing?
I know exactly. Like, what did it?
Can you
Like,
guys not make money?
yeah, exactly. Yeah. It's like at some point, like that's not a good investment. 300 million shares, and this, just keep adding and adding and adding. So,
Yeah, they got the big hype around it is they got a lawsuit going with Philip Morris about a patent infringement,
okay.
and that's pretty much the only headlines on it right now. So
Okay.
that's why people have been talking about all that. Currently, the case looks like they might win, but even still,
Yeah.
the company's already put out that many shares. What makes you think
Yeah.
they're gonna reverse that?
Yeah. There
How
you
much
go.
money it would take to reverse that?
Yeah. Exactly. Exactly. There you go, guys. Yeah, let's do like another 45 minutes to lunch, guys, and then yeah, we can hang out in Discord and make some plays in Discord, guys. So again, if you're not a member, guys, come join us in Discord, right? If you're not a member, come join us in Discord. There are a lot of good plays in Discord, like a lot, right? If you want to join Discord, guys, here's the membership link here. So I'm gonna do exclamation join if I can do that before virus. But yeah, so come join us in Discord and yeah, let's go from there.
It's where we learned about PPSI, guys.
Yeah. Here you go.
And Naz, I don't think my daughter is old enough for that yet. She's 2. Well, she's almost 2.
Oh, it's you. Yeah. There you go. Tesla is dropping. Yeah. Don't mind it. Don't mind it. It would be nice to pick up some good again. A nice dip on Tesla would equal some a nice long term position, right? So don't
I
mind that
hope
at
you
all.
held on to that put.
Yep. Tesla puts. Let's go Tesla. It's a struggle virus. Don't worry. We'll be again 45 minutes. Yeah, so that we can go from there.
You know what's funny? It's like I actually find it's more of a struggle to use the computer
It
than it
is
is to
really
use my phone for trading. Yeah.
awful.
Like I've just gotten so much
Yep.
familiar with trading on the go.
Yep.
Like
Yep. Me
I'm at
too.
work, I'm listening to hot trades, and then I hear
Yep.
a good idea, and I'm like, oh, I'm gonna check that out real quick.
Yep. Yep.
Money.
Yep. I do that. I do everything on the computer, like in terms of, like research and charting and stuff like that. But the actual trades executed everything on the phone, like
Yeah.
everything. It's just so much. Yeah.
That's
So
why I
much.
really like Weeble. Like the phone interface is really good. I
Yeah.
like it more than their desktop software.
Okay. Yeah. What do I think about Tesla stock, Christopher? I think long term it's okay, but again, short term wise, it needed this retracement, right? It's gone on a run, like multiple days, so it had to retrace at some point. So, but again, long term, I don't think anyone's really questioning Tesla being a good long term play. So,
Showtime, I got no fears in my mind about terrible twos.
oh, the baby,
Yes. She
the
is
baby.
a angel
Okay,
that likes
nice.
to do whatever she wants, and I constantly have to correct her. But she's an angel.
Yeah, yeah. Jason Dell had a split 5 days ago. It seems like a good play still. Correct me if I'm wrong. For Dell, let me take a look at Dell. What do you want to take off your PP? Naked. It's, yeah, naked brands 80 cents, right? So yeah, what was that level? 80, 70. Yeah. So let me take a look at Dell. Dell. So these guys did a split 5 days ago. I don't see it. Unless this is the wrong Dell. Hi, Jason.
Hmm.
Yeah. Unless it's the wrong one. Dell had a split 5 days ago. It seems to be at a good price. Unless they announce the news and the split hasn't actually happened. But again, regardless though, that was a nice entry there at $53, right? Support at 53, initially resistance, right? Resistance. So again, on the way down, expect this level to be support. And if you got 53, that's a nice entry, right? So either way. I don't see a split though. So let me take a look at I think there's okay, never mind. So super chat though from super chat from I think I'm missing a super chat from Pid Liquidity official passive income king. What's that, Zach?
Hmm?
What's this? This is a token here. What has to be?
PITQD. I've never heard of it.
Yeah, yeah.
If it was a passive income king, I would have heard of it.
Sure. Thank you for the super chat. Let me see if I can find that. Unless it's a stock here. So, QD. Uh, so no, don't see it on here on TradingView. So it has to be one of these things that I have to find on like CoinMarketCap or something, right? John, you're looking for an entry into
Yeah,
PP?
or CoinGecko.
Yeah. Let me take a look. No. Mm,
I would say as far as crypto goes, guys, and you guys worrying about it being connected to politics like that, I wouldn't connect the two. Because you got to figure crypto's worldwide. So unless there's a dramatic worldwide event, I wouldn't necessarily connect them like that.
yeah, I don't see a whole lot of information here on. Don't see anything at all. As yeah, Yo CoinGecko. Yeah, don't see a whole lot here. Like, there's not a whole lot of information here. I can see the price, but other than that, like, it's very limited. So this is something I'm gonna have to look at. Not right now. You know what I mean? Not right now. On yeah. So there you go. EVGO.
Good entry for PPSI. Kind of looks like it's forming a channel on the 5 minute to the upside after making that big dip.
Mhm.
Let's see, 15. I really need to get a mouse. Using a touchpad is not ideal.
Yeah.
It's in an uptrend on the 15. if you were looking for an entry right now, it's in the middle of a dip on a long-term uptrend.
Mm-hmm.
So let's see, the lowest it got was 827. That'd be your perfect PPSI entry at the moment. And this might be different 5 minutes from now.
Mm-hmm.
Just keep that in mind. Because nothing is ever certain with the stock market.
Yep. Tesla? Mm-hmm.
Nvidia is still blowing up, huh?
Yeah.
It's crazy, like how much money that they pull in off of crypto. All these mining rigs.
Mm-hmm.
They use their video cards, their graphics cards. If you go on their website, you actually have to get in a waiting line just to get computer parts like that.
So Richard says, do you think this is a flaw for Tesla? I mean, there's no such thing as a a floor. I don't know about that, but
I would think if you're looking for a floor, you need to look at a larger time frame of it being in one place consolidating.
yeah. So this is the daily, right? So like like Zach is saying, when you're looking for floor, you're looking for stuff like this, right? You're looking for stuff like, oh, like we pump, we dump, and then it's like, oh, hold, okay, that's a floor. We pump again, dump to the same level. Oh, that's a floor, right? So that's what you're looking for, right? We're hoping that this level can be $1,000 here. Not quite sure yet, though, right? So again, watch this $1,000 here very closely. Oh, you're looking for the sputs, virus? I'll take a look. Kelly, good morning, Kelly. How are you? Thank you for the super chat, my guy, Richard. Let's go. So LTC just broke strong candlestick through resistance. We're headed for $300. Yeah, like LTC looks really good, right? Like Kelly's been mentioning this play for the last week or so, LTC, and it's been going and going and going and going. So, yeah, it's looking really good, especially with
So
AIMS.
Litecoin?
Yeah.
I love Litecoin.
You do?
Yeah, I don't know if you remember, but I brought it up one of the times when we were on the crypto chat. Litecoin is the best way to send your crypto around. Like, I literally use it because I can't confirm my identity on KuCoin. And the cost of sending just the coin by itself, like say I was going to send US Tether to KuCoin, the fee would be more than if I send Litecoin to KuCoin and then just sell it there. So if you're looking to get past the fees and the gas fees, Litecoin, try it.
Yeah.
Let me know how it works out for you.
There you go.
I think that's why it's so volatile too.
Yeah. Yep. Buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. Convert, convert, convert.
Space puts. Why you want to take down this rocket?
All right. Good morning, Debbie. How are you?
It's a failed attempt at a head and shoulder on space, guys. I don't think it's gonna hold like this for long. Keep in mind we're going into lunch.
Yeah. Space can be rubbish. Absolute rubbish. No catalyst, but again, space has room all the way to 24 though, right? Right. So now until like virus, we have room all the way to 24. And for honestly, what I've been looking for is like a break below like 1950 or $20 here, like 1950 especially. And then yeah, you're looking for $14, right? We break below this level again here, like that level right there. You're looking for $14. But for now though, it seems like even though we're struggling here today, There's still some. It's still holding a very key level here. Virus. I had to take a break from the red. I know we're gonna take a break. From the red in like 30 minutes.
Yeah, it just looks like it's consolidating right now to me.
Yeah. Send your crypto. There you go, D Ryan. Yeah. Bodak, what did you do? Kill those space calls this morning. Good job. Good job. Good job. Is is this the Zach that pumps stocks? Yeah, Empress. We have Zach just decided. It's funny, Empress. Zach came on and said, "Yeah, PPSI." Guess what happened, Empress? A few minutes later, PPSI gets halted on the way up. Like unbelievable, unbelievable. So yeah, we got Zach Morris, guys. We have
Yeah, if
our
you
own.
think that's crazy, man, insert stock symbol here. Wait till you see.
There you go. Yeah, this was what happened, guys. So Zach came on. Zach is like, yeah, this PPI stuff, PPSI, and guess what, guys? Absolute explosion, unbelievable.
It's a sympathy play for me being on hot trades.
Yep. Steve, you think it's a what? It's a scam. He's one that pump baby music. Zach is one that pumps baby music. Yeah.
That's right. I'd be pumping that cocoa melon.
uh, what's Zach's Twitter handle? I don't know. Zach's Twitter handle is Discord. Discord.
Uh, Crypto Bowl at Crypto Bowl.
There you go. Um, uh, what's the word on Peloton? Showtime. Peloton is one that actually like was looking very closely into, just because of that sell-off, right? Peloton, Peloton.
RRD. RR Donnelly is pretty good company, guys.
Okay,
They
there you
have a
go.
lot of practical use.
Yeah.
I'll dive in
Um,
deeper here in a
yeah.
minute. Go ahead, please.
No, I'm just looking. I'm just looking at the chart here. Yeah, I've been looking for this $40 level here. If we can again, some what are you looking for? Basically, who's asking? Showtime. Honestly, what I'd be looking for again. I don't know if you like it long term. If you're looking to scale in, but if we can find a base right here, if we can find a base like right here, which it seems like we're trying to, then okay, we're ready to go higher. If not, then you're looking for $40, right? Why $40? Because again, that's where the previous level of resistance was at, right? Resistance, right? Resistance, and then support. So again, $40 would be the next level here below 50, right? Or if we can reclaim 50 and gain some type of momentum, then you can look to gamble there. But if not, right? Again, so either you're waiting for this thing to again settle above 50 and start showing you a little bit of green, or retrace the $40. Yeah, Josh, yeah, reclaim 50, right? And hold about 50, show a little bit of momentum, right? Like it wants to go, and then cool. If not, if it's still looking weak, and then maybe just look for $40.
Did you know that Tim Cook owns crypto, guys? The CEO of Apple.
Who the
Something to think about.
yeah. Here you go. And Andres, are you in this? Are you in this one here? Let me know. It seems like we looked at this one in the past as well. Up 16% here today. Yeah, you're looking for like $7 here next for resistance, and Jacena. Look for $7, right? Look for $7. Like the entry was 5, right? So entry at 5, resistance at $7. Um, I should be not too sure which one, Anthony. Yeah, 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 yeah. Again, guys, reminder, if you want to come join us in Discord, guys, the membership link is right here. It's going to show up for you in the chat right now. And yeah, so don't forget to smash that like if you haven't already. Hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel. Very much appreciated. So thank you guys for the support as always. Amazing. So there you go. Mm. EVGO making let's go for $10 on ocgn. Yeah, ocgn has earnings, right? So would be nice to see that thing run.
What is SOPA? Is that an IPO?
I have no idea.
It's up 102% today, but it
SOPA.
wasn't on there this morning, so I'm thinking.
Yeah, it is. It is. It's an IPO. It's currently halted. This thing is madness. Absolute madness. Yeah, it's
I
an
will
IPO.
say, if you guys are looking for a decent IPO, there was one that came across my radar that was an EV play. Let's see.
Rivian?
Yeah.
Okay.
See, you already know.
Yeah. Rivian. Yeah.
Very interesting.
Yeah. Rivian. Yeah, I'm sure like is that today or tomorrow? Rivian IPO today or tomorrow?
Tomorrow, I believe.
Yeah, tomorrow. Tomorrow. So we'll keep it close on Rivian.
Do you know what time it's supposed to go live?
No idea. No idea. Usually like it's like 2 hours after the market opens or something like that. So oh, like it goes live, but you have no access. Like you can't even buy it. Like IPOs can be tough. But
Let's
super
see.
for soup. Yeah, there you go. Let's see, 3 hours. Okay. Sopa. Yeah, let's go back here. Yeah, Sopa is currently halted, guys. Right, so up, whatever that is. It seems like it just IPO not too long ago. That's why like you can't even get the details yet, like percentage gains or anything. It just seems like it
The,
just yeah,
yeah, the public's trying to figure out what they want to pay for it.
exactly.
That's
So
why.
yeah, Sopa. Yeah, look at that.
Chances to buy the low on that are a heck of a lot lower than.
Yeah, look at this, Zach. It's 2 minutes. Like two 1 minute candles here. That's it.
There you
Two.
go, guys. You
Yeah.
tell me where the support is.
Yep.
Where's that resistance?
Oh.
There's so much information.
Yep.
Better break it down to the 30-second candle.
Yep. 30 seconds.
Give us a few
Okay.
more.
Yep. More information, the better. Yeah, honestly, again, like today's just for those quick scalps. Like, there's really nothing that's really exciting here. Silver Panda, Zach sounds like Portnoy. You sure?
Whoa. Easy, guys. Dude, taking pop shots at me. Come on now.
Unbelievable. As an IPO,
Did you
huge.
miss the AMC squeeze? Yeah, it happened back in January. Don't you remember?
Yep. Missed it again, Andrew. From Amazon, and the trucks are already $17 IPO price, but worth it. Yeah, like Raven is most likely going to open above like 70. Josh, I'm already hearing some rumors they're looking for like 76s, 74s, 75s, for Raven. Yeah, like they have some huge backings. Amazon, there's someone else is backing them. I don't know if it's Amazon. There's one more person, Josh, that's backing
I
Raven.
cannot comment on these accusations. It's conflict of interest.
Amazon, and there's one more person.
I'll tell you right now, they won't allow me to trade my stock right now.
Wow. Okay. There you go. It's Ford. Charlie Ford is backing Rivian. Okay. Yeah, there's someone else huge. Someone huge. Yeah. So Rivian is gonna be import. We're gonna keep a close eye on Rivian tomorrow. Ford, Charlie. Thank you, Pep. Thank you very much. Yeah. Amazon and Ford. Wow. Again, so Rivian is gonna be gonna talk of the town tomorrow.
Let's talk about ZOM.
What about it?
So, Blaze, you know a lot about ZOM?
Not really. Not really. I'm gonna say no.
So, basically, it's veterinary related.
Hmm.
So their tech that they have patents on actually goes a lot quicker than the tech that is already out there as far as doing tests. You know how you have to send off for a lab for tests?
Mm-hmm.
Well, they can do it right there on the spot and give you an like an accurate answer within an hour.
Wow.
So they have that going for them, and they recently just purchased out another company. You're talking about the earnings on it. I know that it's probably going to be on the lower side because they just reappoint their CEO, and there was a reason for that.
Mm-hmm.
But long term, I'm bullish because it's all about efficiency.
Mm-hmm.
We can do things faster and better, then why wouldn't we upgrade?
Mm-hmm.
So, as far as the earnings go, right now it's sitting around 52 cents.
Mm-hmm.
Sorry, 54 cents. So it's gone up a bit today.
Yeah.
I think even with the earnings, I think it's going to go up a little bit afterwards.
Okay.
Just because people will see the actual action plan of where they're going with
Okay.
their
Do they have
products.
options?
No,
Okay.
I do not believe.
Okay. Rivian, schedule for today. Like I keep getting some, a film. I read an article saying tomorrow. Then I'm hearing from some people that it's today for Rivian. So but I thought it was tomorrow. So I don't know. Naked brands to $5. Okay. You know, no, I don't think it's rubbish, Chris. I don't think it's rubbish. No, Zom, I'm not saying wrong. I haven't said anything, Chris. You seen this comments? Blaze thinks it's rubbish. I can tell. No, it's not rubbish. Zom is not rubbish, guys. It's not rubbish. I promise. I'm not saying it's
So
rubbish.
I'm looking at it right now, guys. It's showing 11.10 for the IPO of RIVN.
Okay. 11:10 for today.
Sorry, the 10th of
11.
November,
Okay. Okay. Okay.
tomorrow.
Yeah. Yeah.
I realize. Yeah.
Yeah. Because we have so many dates, you know.
Yeah. It's earnings season.
Yeah. Exactly. Super chat from Showtime says, should I load the boat on Shiba? Thinking 500 million. I think you should scale in, right? I think you should slowly scale in instead of going all in, just in case we get a drop, just like we did last time. You're like, I would consider scaling, like slowly buying increments, maybe like 100 million at a time, 50 million at a time, like slowly build a position, right? Instead of going all in and then something fishy happens, right? And then, yeah,
Because I think if you do go all in on that, then what's going to end up happening is people are going to freak out and they're going
yeah,
to sell because they're going to see the price go up so quickly, and that's
mhm,
going to leave you in a bad position.
yeah.
You don't just drop $500 million into Shiba without it going up.
Yeah. Here you go. That's made a lot of money on buying buying at 13 cents. You'd be cautious today. Okay, there you go, Kelly. No, Chris. If I missed your penny stock play, it's not because I was ignoring it. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Um, yes, yes, and yes, Steve. Just kidding. But no, TCAT is a name that's never gonna die. TCAT SGOC, like especially again TCAT and SGOC, those names will always like they're always gonna pump. Like if you take a look at the chart, it's a pump and dump every once in a while, like pump and dump over and over and over, right? So don't think those are going anywhere, right? Marine is gonna do the same. BBIG though, BBIG is gonna take some. BBIG is gonna take some. It's gonna take some. Yeah, it's gonna take some. Some. I don't know what to tell you. A catalyst or something.
You know, it's really funny. They said that they were going to be more vocal about communicating with the public, and then they
Yeah,
released a 10K without saying anything to anybody.
yeah.
It's like, okay, guys.
Yeah. Like BBIG is absolute rubbish.
Um, there's been one that's been popping up a lot here. DCPH,
DCPH.
D Cyphera Pharmaceuticals. Looks like it's on a bit of a dip on the 5-minute candle right now.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see. Currently sitting at 985. Go over to the 15-minute candle. Just had one heck of a drop. It looks like it's trying to find support right now.
Okay.
A 15. So be patient on it.
Yeah. Mara, what about Mara MBD? Mara looks good, right? With Bitcoin, how's Mara looking for you? Uh, Hive has been halted for about 1 hour. Anyone know why? It's most likely because Hive is suspended, right? Pending news. I think we've talked about this already. Not sure if it might just be suspended pending news there. So yeah.
And
So yeah.
Pep Brown, you're looking for an entry for CEI. Right now it's consolidating. I mean, the lowest that it's gone is 122, and it's sitting at 123.
Here
Mind
you
you,
go.
there was that little dip, but it came back up, you see, on the 1 minute, and now it's just sideways.
Mm-hmm.
And it just held its ground from a big drop on the 15-minute candle.
Yeah.
So this might be it trying to find support.
Yeah. La, 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 la. But the stock now rubbish. Likely volume. Um, I'm sorry, Steve. Um, Steve just gave me a. Steve just put something in a different, in a different language. That just got me. Steve, I say that all the time. Steve, I say that all the time about about some stocks. Um, Hive news warrants 400 million delusion. Yeah, and they're in the yeah. So there you go. Hive, they're raising some money, 100 million incoming. Okay, not exactly
So
the
you
best.
you
No,
guys are looking for some good swing plays. I mean, you really got to look for, like, when you're looking at stocks that are being talked about today, like, I mean, PTZ. I've looked for ones that have just been smacked around. So, like last night, PPSI just dropped from it hit $12 yesterday. It went down to 8, which it looks like it did come back down to 8.
hmm
So when you're looking for a swing trade, you're trying to get the bottom.
hmm
The bottom that it's going to go to for that day. So when you're looking at the chart, it helps to look at the 5-minute, 15-minute, 30-minute, and look for common areas of reversals. And it also helps to know more about the company as well. Like, did any events just come out? How are their earnings going to look in this case? Like projections. Like AMC, I knew they were going to have good earnings because they constantly, Adam Aaron constantly tweeted, "We just broke new records." So that sticks out when that happens. Use that as your clue as to where to buy in at. And that's just on a general term, because you can identify a swing trade that can change real quick. But hold on 1 minute, guys. My wife's calling me.
It's like, are you taking care of the baby? You taking care of the baby? There you go. but it's poised to pump at the end of the month. Oh no, Willie, yeah, absolutely. Getting correct, that's a good thing, Willie. If you're waiting for that dip on Tesla, that's a really good thing. Why isn't AMC pumping? Because you know why? Why isn't AMC pumping? What about Vuzi, guys? You guys are spamming Vuzi, but you're giving me no. So what am I what about Vuzi? Yeah, she busted out. She busted him, guys. The wife is like, so the baby's on her own, and you're on what? On that stupid show called Hot Trades again? You know, love the dips, yeah, absolutely. So, PP aside. So Hive is unhalted, as you guys know, right? Hive is unhalted here, and it's dropping. It's dropping here. So, just be careful there. Pets, just chilling. Let me take a look at Tesla here quickly. We talked about Tesla potentially finding a level at 1,000, right? So yeah, $1,000 would be nice, right? So unless yeah, so we'll see. Any news about Shiba Elite? No news. Because of popcorn, yeah, because of popcorn. um, Long term buy only, yeah. With Tesla, yeah. Yeah, would be nice. That would be nice, Margaret. Like 900 would be nice with Tesla. If Tesla can just decide to, go down to $900, that would be nice. Not sure we're gonna go that low, but that would be really nice. Tesla, go down there so we can, pick up some something something. Yeah, they're going down because of the popcorn, guys, because that's the all they could sell, the popcorn. Hive, hive, hive. Popping. That is why Ames is not popping. I see Berlin pushing Tesla over 1600. Yeah, yeah. So 12 minutes, guys. Let's hang for another 12 minutes here, and then we can take a break. We can take a break and hang in Discord, and then maybe come back for Power Hour, right? So and go from there. So yeah, it's really today's just for scalping those quick plays. So not a standout play here today. So yeah, again, don't forget to smash a like if you haven't already. Hit that subscribe if you're new, and yeah. I heard a big whale. I heard Big Will or Robinhood just bought some Shiba, a big amount. I've been hearing that to elite, right? I've been hearing that, so been hearing a lot of that rumor going around. So, but are they actually giving you proof they're right elite? That's the question. Maybe free movie with the popcorn. Sopa is halted again. Film, yeah. Honestly, there's not a whole lot we can do with that, right? Like Sopa here. So Sopa is a new IPO, and it's constantly getting halted here. Like wow, oh my goodness. Wow. We just looked at this thing at $17, guys, right? This thing was right here when we looked at it last time. Well, guess what now? 24. Like, can you even get into this thing is a question. Like, it's been 3 minute candles, guys. 3 minutes, that's it. Wow. Sopa. Yeah, Sopa is insane, Charlie. Insane. Is there anyone so Charlie, are you buying Sopa? Anyone buying Sopa? Again, I don't play with IPOs on the first day. I like to play with them on the second day, and or whenever they do decide to do price discovery and go from them. Sopa, as I'm happy with Tesla up and happier when it goes down because like it's on sale exactly, Ellie. Right, Willie? Honestly, I have no idea, no idea. Just for a quick trade, Charlie. Okay, sounds good. Has officially been cancelled today, Andrew. Yep. Okay, Rago, I'll take a look. I'll take a look at VLTA. I'll take a look. Level 2 is over 35 now, Charlie. Wow. Charlie, how come you're not in Discord yet? Charlie, how come you're not in Discord? Is the question for you. All this red is boring, Jenny. That's okay, Jenny, right? We're gonna have huge gain days. We're also gonna have days like this where the market is boring. That's fine, right? We're gonna have days like this. Days that you should just rest, sit in your hands, and do nothing, right? Or be very careful. Let me take a look at the daily here for VLTA. For yeah, so looking for an entry on that play there. So VLTA, again, we talked about this one quite a bit in the past, right? Again, we talked about this one around $7, and it's gone for a really nice run. Like it's done really, really well with the entire EV space, right? If you're looking for an entry, just be careful here, right? Be really careful, right? Why? Because again, that's what we failed at last time, right? $13, right? We got all the way to almost like 1270 here today and backed off, right? So be careful as we approach 13 there. Some resistance there. In terms of support, I'd be looking for like I like look for $10 here, right? If you're looking for an entry, maybe watch for $10. I don't know if you're gonna get 10, right? But that would be a nice like, it would be a nice area to scale in at. Then you're looking for 10, and then you're looking for 9, and then you're back to $7, right? Those are your support levels again. So 9 and 10 for psychological levels there, and then 13 for resistance. You are? Let's go, Charlie. Let's go. No, Charlie. Charlie's my guy, Peter. I like Charlie. Um, you're welcome, Rago. Looks like it's time for you to get in, Margaret. Yeah, they have so again, OCGN has earnings, right? So let me take a quick look. OCGN here. So OCGN has earnings. Oh, wait, what? Those earnings came out already? Huh. So they missed earnings. They missed it. They missed earnings. And they're red. Just like everything else today in the market. Right. So watch for $9 support. Watch for $9, Margaret. So yeah. WTF AMC? What's AMC doing? Yeah, AMC, I mean they wanted to sell free popcorn, so the market is like, you know what, we're tired of your popcorn rubbish. You can keep the popcorn. So let's there you go. Tesla. Come on, Tesla. Give me 900. 900 Tesla. Have gotten used to a 10K swings in your portfolio, Willie? Yeah. That bag is heavy. Peter says, the other Peter, some new Peter, Shiba Inu is out of fuel. I mean, everything runs out of fuel and then refuels and then goes again. Let's see. Yeah. Let's go. No, 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 no. No. Let's go. Come on, Tesla. Keep going. Keep going. Willie, what are you saying, Willie? Lower? 900s? To jet fuel? Yeah, there you go. Peter. Put your EV money in Fisker. I like Fisker. I've liked Fisker for a long time. Like from the 17s, Kelly. Yeah, Fisker. I said bottoms out. Yeah, I think I would like Willie. I would like $900 for Tesla, like or close to that level. Missed a short on Tesla. Yeah, one. Yeah, no, I did. I did. I was looking because I spoke to Willie as well because I know Willie tracks Tesla very closely. I was looking for some Tesla puts at like 1,250. 1,250. So we got to like 1,200 and what? 1,200 and something here. 1,243 and then backed off, right? So very close there on those puts. You bought at 5 and sold at 11. Okay. Um, yeah. No, I feel like I've been missing a lot of plays lately. Missing a lot of stuff. Mm. No, Willie, that's what I'm saying, right? I mean, we didn't quite get there, but no, that's what I'm saying. Yeah. So. Mm. There you go. Yeah, we can hang for like another like 5 minutes, guys. So, are you ADTX? I'm sure I've looked at it, Kelly. I can take a look again. No, that was close, Willie. I can take a look at it again as everything's basically retracing here, guys. Like everything, just retracing, selling off, right? So, I'll take a look at that. ADTX. La la la. ADTX. I'm sure, like, I'm pretty sure we looked at this. Yeah, we have, Kelly, right? So we looked at this level here, like $1.60, and yeah, that was the entry level here at $1.60, Kelly. Like, just the fact that this thing's been chilling. And but again, look at what happened last time at $1.60. That was a nice run up, right? Again, off $1.60 again this time, and it had a nice balance. Yeah, $1.60 would be that level to watch, even though we're already almost to $2 now. So I mean, it might be too late here because now we're back above the 90 EMA, and we're looking to ride this level higher. But that's, yeah, some, it looks good, Kelly. I think you mentioned I think you mentioned this a while ago, and then I looked at it, and that level, like $1.60, was really nice. Elon wants or below. Okay, so he thanks it on occasion. Huh, interesting. You like it and bought? Okay, nice, Kelly. Yeah. Mm. Kelly, yeah, it would be nice. Yeah, wish Kelly was more active in Discord with some of those plays. Would be really nice, Kelly. That show looks like it's poised for a run up. Yeah, yeah, this thing can easily pump. It's done it before, like off that level, and like very close again to this level, and then look at that pump, right? So yeah, it tried to do it again, like tried to do it again here, all the way to 260, and then backed up, right? So support at $1.60 and resistance in space. BGFE, I've looked at it already. Venom Entertainment. So let me know where your position is, and then I can take a look. No, it hasn't. Not quite yet. PITQD. No, I haven't, because I couldn't find a whole lot of information. Right. So, Oko, Discord is where it's at. What time am I going live tonight, Peter? Not sure. Not sure. Not sure. Again, just make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell. And when I do go live, when and if, you'll get that notification bell. Peter. Even Shiba is dumping. Yeah, like everything is retracing, guys. Like everything is really struggling. It's just one of those days, one of those days that you just hide under the pillow. You just hide under the pillow, and then unless you want to just scalp stuff, unless you just want to scalp and go from there. You would laugh if I told you I'm clueless on joining a Discord, Kelly. No, I'm sure you would figure it out. I'm sure you would. If you send me an email, Kelly, email at the top of the screen, I'll send you an invite to Discord, and yeah, I'll send you an invite. You just have to click on the link, right? Click on the link. Go to the this again. You're gonna see the Rose channel there. Click on the cookie in the Rose channel. The Getting Started channel is gonna show up, and then you just have to follow the images there, and then you should be good to go. Tesla for Friday. They look tempting. For $1,200 for Margaret for Friday. Yeah, everything. Yeah. You've tried it, Kelly? Oh no. Patrick, how do you feel about Mark? You think it's going to continue to fall? Let me take a quick look at Mark here. Again, like my recommendation, guys, has always been, if you buy stuff like this, you have to understand the reason why it's moving, right? If you get into stuff like Mark, right, you have to understand why it's moving. If you buy this and it's done nothing, like it's done, look at this, like it's done absolutely nothing for months and months and months, and then all of a sudden it's like, oh, we're pumping because of this reason. Well, it's not running directly because of the company. So what happens when people get tired of that sympathy play? Do we go back down to its normal 50 cent level here, or $1? Probably, right? So yeah, just be careful there with Mark. It seems like it's just retracing until this thing can, like, sometime, like, gain some type of momentum here. It's just gonna keep falling, right? You have your limits, Kelly. Okay, that's okay. That's okay. So yeah, again, all I'm trying to say is don't be a diamond hand on a position that you don't believe in, right? Don't be a diamond hand on a position that's a sympathy play, right? So don't try and find reasons to believe in the company. Is what I'm trying to say, right? If Mark is running because of DWAC, well, just be aware that once it goes against you, you want to get out very quickly, right? So etc, Brian, Is it too late? I mean, if you believe in a long term, like you can start scaling, you can scale in, you can do whatever you want, right? If not though, I'd be waiting for a retracement, right? Always nice to wait for retracements. Let's go Glow Star. What's up? What's up? What's up, General Sheep? How's Sheep looking? Sheep is no. Before again, we're gonna hop off soon, right? So we're gonna take a break here soon. But let me take a look at Shiba here before we go, guys. So I want to take a look at Shiba here and see what that looks like. Crypto, 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 crypto. So if it's again 54-ish, yeah, so it'd be nice for this thing to sit above the 55s and above. But again, we have that support at 52, right? Support at 52 and resistance at 60, right? So yeah, we need some levels to break above, right? So looking okay, looking okay. You're munching on Tesla divs, yum yum. Don't worry, I'm going to be watching. I'm going to be watching Tesla closely again. So if you're not a member yet, guys, if you're not a member and you want to join us in Discord, guys, here's the membership stuff, right? A lot of the members are going to be hanging on in Discord and talking about plays, right? So make sure you join us. So there's the membership link there. And if you do join and we're not streaming at the time, just send me a message. Send me an email at the top of the screen there, and I'll send you that invite. So I love it, chilling. There you go. Zach, what did the wife say? The wife said, "What are you doing on hot trades?"
Yeah, she's like, "Did we make money?" I'm like, yes,
Okay,
all the money.
nice. Did we make money?
All of
That's
it.
nice. Yeah. For yourself, Hive is tanking because they're doing an offering, right? They're raising money, and the market doesn't like that, right? When you raise money equals, look at the Doge, guys. The Doge, Zach's Doge,
Yep.
the Doge, and the
Have you met Link?
yep.
He's a corgi. That's my daughter.
There you go, guys. The Doge and the baby, guys.
That's right.
Falling off a Tesla. Anthony, Tesla's falling off a cliff. I don't know if I call that a cliff though. I don't know if I call this a Tesla fall off cliff. Let me see
That
here.
makes those calls even more appealing, right, guys?
I know, like I'm getting excited here. That's not really a cliff. I want a cliff to be $900. That's what I want the cliff to be.
I wanted to hit that first red line right there.
Yeah. I
What's
want
that
I
red
want
line at, Blaze?
$1,000.
$1,000.
Yep. I want this second red line here as like
Yeah,
$900.
that'd be a beautiful thing.
Yeah. But I don't think it's gonna get there. So
Yeah, guys, you shouldn't freak out whenever it starts going down. You should be like, "Oh, sweet, it's going down."
yeah, especially for
You gotta
Tesla when you
be
know it's
part
gonna go
bear,
back up.
part bull. You
Yeah.
can't just be a bull or a bear.
Yeah. No, Tesla's up big, like Willie says. What's an offering? An offering is like, for example, you go to investors for your soul and say, "Oh, like my stock is trading at this price. Can you borrow me some money? Can you sell me? Can you give me some money? I'm going to sell my shares to you for this price. I'm going to sell my shares to you for this price, and you can give me this amount of money, right?" So, but again, the reason the market doesn't like that for your soul is because when you do that, you're diluting the rest of the shares because you're adding more shares to the float. Now these shares have less value, right? You're adding more to it, so. Don't be a paper hand. Yeah. Here's I'm getting call. I know, Margaret, you won't be alone. I will be in there with you. Right. So yeah. I mean, $1,000 might be the bottom there, but nine would be nice. Oh, close to it. Has a has a life like Shiba dog or Showtime. Zach does.
He's actually a corgi, right, Link? Okay,
There you go,
no
guys.
Shiba.
So yeah, there's a gap fill. Hi, Jeff. Fear soaring. Righty, guys. So we're gonna leave it here, guys. Thank you, Zach. Thank you very much for coming on and hanging. Really appreciate that. Thank you. There you go. So yeah, we're gonna again. A lot of the members are gonna go over to Discord, so you know what to do. Long way down to resistance. Yeah. So don't forget to smash a like if you haven't already. Hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel, guys. Very much appreciates you guys hanging on Tuesday, Red Day Tuesday. So thank you guys very much for the support as always, and we'll see you guys on the next stream. Next stream, guys. You know. We
Next time on Hot Trades.
on Hot Trades, guys. Next time on Hot Trades. There you go. And hit and send before you're done, Jeff. That's okay. Leave
Oh, and hit the
before.
like button, guys.
Yeah.
On your way out, like button.
Yeah.
Smash it.
Yeah. Like this. Or for buying the dips, yeah. Days like this, or for buying the dips, days like this. Margaret, thank you for the super sticker. Really appreciate that. Let's go. Thank you very much, Margaret. Thank you for the support as always. You basically given me all that. No, thank you for the super chat, the super sticker. Thank you very much. Thank you, thank you. Go see ya. M-Sense, how come you're just hitting the like now? Unbelievable. How come you always wait, M-Sense? You said hi, Showtime? Okay, there you go.
I'm not gonna lie, Blaze, I'm guilty of that too. I
You're
always hit it on
waiting?
my way out.
Oh, you do?
Yeah, because
Unbelievable.
flexibility at work.
Okay.
But I always take care of you in the end.
Yeah, no, I know. I know. Gotta have something to live for. I have sense. You're living for the like at the end. That's funny. Alrighty, guys. Again, thank you for the support, Margaret. Thank you for the super chat. Really appreciate that. And we'll see you guys in Discord and later. Good says. Bye, guys. Andrew, M Sense, Awandi, just chilling. Showtime. See you guys later. Virus, I gotta live for. Um, see you guys later. Bye, guys.
Bye
Bye.
bye.
Bye. There you go.